mmɔfra no ɔmo adwene sɛ deɛ ɔmo pɛ no mɔyɛ nti wobɛkɔ school biam na nkwaraa no aso den ɛmadeɛ na wɔsa akɔrɔ nsua nkwaraa wɔnsua de sɛ maamefoɔ no ne teacherfoɔ no ka bom na sɛ ɔmo de saa nteteeɛ no ɛwu nkwadaa no a bɛma daakye yɛnyɛ mmɔfra pa ɛma ahemfoɔ no sɛ ɛbɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo mfa ɔmo ho nyim sɛ nɔɔma no ɛkɔ ɛba sɛn a ɔmo nan so na ɛbɛkɔ akɔtɔ nti ɔmo mfa ɔmo ho nyim ɛsɛ sɛ tete no sɛ ɔmo agya no ma anyɛ ɔmo saa anka menyini sɛ ɔmo do baabi ɔmo adure ɛna deɛ ɛka bi mu sɛ kua na aban sɛ yɛnyɛ no ɛnso ɛyɛ yɛbɛyɛ yɛn ho ayɛ na yɛ problem kakra no sɛ yɛnyɛ sɛ hwi ha sei no yɛwɔ nsuo problem ɔpɛ no si a wobɛhu sɛ na nɔban na ɛfɛ wonya nsuo mpo nti sɛ ɔmbɛtumi aboɔboɔ nsuo bi na baabi yɛmfuo wɔ nso baabi wɔ nso a ɛni ka kwan ho nti fidie a ɛkan sɛ ɛbɛyɛ kɔ fidie nkɔ bɛtumi akɔ afuom hɔ no ɔmo nso ɔmohwɛ saa deɛ nso ma
yo yɛmfa yɛ last caller na yɛmfa nsiwa. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Yes, sir.
Abutrika ni nyamena.
Abutrika yetio.
Kayasu nano pe mamena wase. Na mfa ntiama watiefo nyina. Kayasu yenso yaduma na mesre. Ba kabra problem yi aba ho. Ase de ko ho a onhwe. Nkofo bi ehye bidie wo high tension bi ase wo ho no ma ya hwe ye the problem baba.
Fa wo kabra.
Because ben high tension ne papa no. Nti ebesere omo de egu jam no esa onyi omu firi ho because apo na ebu pe ye wo kramokrome kokko do nyina ya nya asem.
Okay.
Nti ebesere omo se omu yi omu firi high tension na se na yen so bi adwuma me da se.
Wo se fa wo kabra. Enti wo a wo tie ya wo hibidie ewo fa wo kabra ba bi kura owura yi ekan ena da ho no wate. Nti yade besi ewa ha memfa wo frefo bia biem ebre no aso se de agode mu nsem ede bro ene anopai Mr. Ka quick one na pay
see yes sorry so no meka se mebo aban na ba so se wo de PT asamba because ye nyina coach school na PT ho eno ane boa ye ntete mu ne na de ade a ebedru ba bia ye dri and again asema honorable domijisi woni ne din ko de ba twudwa afa kwae ho no I think se obi bia mfa ne ho hyem na emwa say yedi enwo mu a ebebo ma nnuane aba ama yenso enya wiadi ama hoto ayede aba me wo ba me site wo sese ya me duaduan kuruma kakra ono pe me sore ma wo se fifi wo bode kakra me wa brobe ene ne ma be tools me duadua bi anti ya no mfidie no so no ya no mo de aba na me so mo de abebo am
all right chief
me de ka hyase
ate yedase ebra no enya so se dia godie mu nsem ede ebro retired community police officer wa ha say anapa yem fast dan fama millionaire city wo mo se ehodom na obetu obeto wo ne ma pa nyina efia ma no ne se nkodwa na wo pe empa sara nso na wo pe wardrobes ede na wo pe dividers center table ne ho krode ba ne ye wo ne nyina bi a efri amanone a ye de aba sara nso na wo pe flat screen televisions fridges fans Nyapa bia ebi ho microwaves ahodo irons toasters kettles ene enema ahodo ne nyina efirem no ne aba anu nti e kanfo de ama aprosifo teacher for nurse for bankers ani have general public ne nyina se obia emra na omra megene de ebo no fo ye wo sahwe mpomam ye wo kan royal filling station honoma 0543005848 ofra ya bejo so amanso wonsa akabi sara so na anopai KIT solutions zebra na so fa ho bechem wadie biara asɛ sɛ ɛyɛ laptop sɛ ɛyɛ desktop bibia wo hwa ɛfa ɛyɛ phones ho a asɛ de fa ne nyina bɛdan wo mo KIT solutions zebra wo mo so wo mo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ phones ahodo ɛwɔ ho Wamo ewo iPhones papa ewo hodum XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 14. Ene ne ekwa nyina. Omo wode nyina bi. Sara nso ena odu omo so hodum so omo ewo Samsung, omo Infinix, omo Tecno, ene all kinds of phones. So you also gina se ena omo wo. GPRT abrosan mu omo ene Malcolm ena Edia num so omo ben big brain. Fra omo 0545 4041 40 and 0245-796770. Uhunu wa mwa ombesisi nema nyina edi amount. Bogati, good morning.
Morning, boss of the bosses.
Apom.
boss okay say na dom ahoden o pa
and they
so hoye
or the chairman ye bedi yankom me ni bi kawanotum because we are different from us.
And so na come show.
Retired community police officer.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
In fact, I'm not all that good.
Why?
It seems like my head is cucolastic me.
Your head is
cucolastic.
What do you mean?
It means my head is paining me.
Your head doesn't pain. It aches.
It itch.
Aches.
But every pain is pain.
Is that?
Every pain is pain.
That's why we have a headache.
But this one, in fact, it's more than ache.
It's more than ache.
Yeah.
Hey.
It is do me vim.
What is vim? The sky.
Yeah. You see, we have catarrh.
Doctor.
Yeah, we have catarrh.
Yes, sir.
And we have cold.
Yes, sir.
And we have fluid.
Fluid.
Yeah,
fluid.
Yeah.
No. We don't have fluid.
We don't have fluid.
No.
Oh, the time COVID came, people were saying that they have fluid, cold, and catarrh.
Fluid.
So, yeah.
Cold and catarrh.
Yeah, mine is cold.
Yours is cold.
Yeah.
You don't
because
have
the catarrh one for ADB, those
small.
Yeah, those small boys. You know, they have catarrh.
And who is the fluid for?
Yeah, fluid for Bugatti. Mice.
You have flu, not fluid.
I'm blending it. It's blending.
Branding.
Yeah.
You are what?
I'm blending it.
What it?
Branding.
Yeah,
I'm branding it.
But when you brand it, then it makes a mistake.
But you have to synchronize. You see,
it makes it a mistake. So synchronizing whatever a mistake.
Why is Fache laughing?
Fache.
Yeah.
I don't think my man about her. I don't did sorry because son or young for
I'm synchronizing my English this morning. You are laughing.
Synchronize your English this morning. Synchronize English.
But anyways, still I'm strong. You see.
Still strong.
Yeah. Today is Friday. I'll be going to Juma this afternoon. Yeah, okay. Juma.
Okay. Yeah.
Today is Friday. So every Friday we go to Juma.
Juma Mubarak.
Yeah, Juma Mubarak.
Okay.
Yeah. So today we'll be going to Juma. Okay. It's normal for you to be sick, small sick. Yeah, small sick. Yeah.
But this sickness is somehow bad mouth in. This one is cow mouth in.
Bugatti! Buga want to talk, but he can't talk.
Debbie.
Buga want to talk, but he can't talk.
Debbie said, "You want
to talk, but you can't talk."
Yes, but he cannot speak.
No.
You have one cast was out there, Jordan.
Yeah.
If you be a bro,
you have Bugatti.
And a pair of food on
sorry. It's a money possible. Why?
I see. Oh, what can was on get to a
there was pause.
Just a minute.
We haven't finished.
Just a minute.
There was pause.
Where the Casamba
was
Assembly. Where the mystery.
Assembly.
And can you go school? Like, Debbie. For the assembly, but the whole Ghana, some you die now.
It's a national issue.
National issue.
It's a national issue.
Okay,
it's a national issue.
Boss, I was here, Sasha, near Bunko, school mobile.
Okay.
Yes, we need to beat them.
Serious,
we need to
beat them.
Okay.
Okay. I was here, Bunko,
yes.
And I do. If you bought him so, but we no school teacher in cinema. Now, my mere South Refuge, if I didn't know about me back, it could be no. Why don't grandpa's here born or brother school?
Why?
It's not fair. Teacher from Shasta from Mango School. That's it. Teacher Babu Cracker said, Akoda Bonia. You said, yes, Puno. It was yes, swear Nani and Sa and Caneno.
Yes.
Trouble to say. Homework obey, mental obey.
Yes.
20 or 1 penny a best.
The moment we are meeting you, you will repent. You will do good things.
The moment
they punish you, you will repent. You will do good things.
Okay.
Say your boy. Okay. Was school to one more thing before. The one from
all right. And I pay. Want to ask.
Cause if you cry or cry, some more about you.
Yeah. I put out your bonnet. And everyone was say, omuyi sa ne money fees
me din ho amentiase
ena akobo obi a won say wo tre krata ekoma headmaster the reason why me person me bo akwada no me person me panity me person me yeni say
enkwada no bi ye stop mumu
mumu
se kwade se de kwa na ye se kwade asai kwa mumu
but move go so move go according to
say otoni wachi
emre obi ba ko be pa e ma na ne hu nyina pa
e ba sa de so dia ba bo twa to wanim di enka
o konti yenko
all right ene anopay ye besre yenko na momfa kasafide no to ene ha sai ma monyi free a ahanum eye party na 2.7 ya trase ye de agodie mu nsam no ene anopay enso de pa na ene man so atimi aye kamanti edb ene adati ne poso ene ye Friday eti ye ponta utasani yako na bi benso tibeka buga afi di anje ye beti here we go we eya pantia ye fem Victor Dokoris o second Timatima ye first Sporting CP e Portugal na Arsenal wo ma beye papa answer for the that ochina ene ochena miadom afi di bibia enso atimi aye kradua appoint enche permanent Arsenal enso petimi to abranche no 63.5 million euros and Arsenal and cover Pantia 1 year 27 years or second ultimate supporting CP na any 63.5 for what say performance outdoors ekaho and 10 million euros and the performance so to be peja na what we boss na ama Arsenal and so to be a trophy will pay 10 million euros and the account where are Pantia Victor aye Joko Resoro and some kake fina soepa enje na Opa Emirates Stadium na se Arsenal yami to next season na penten so paper juma entema Arsenal team no we aye and some kakran efi Arsenal and so soepa and then pay me te was some and so tema me pa cheyenkwe na ene amfo hyasio on say to Abia yesi to manfo so a na yaka yanom na tietenie omunse yomesi ekosi akantema tima ye fem PH Paris ayen Saint-Germain na ene u compare ono ene pantia ye Ousmane Dembele na just per start round e kamie sa pantia ye fe Dembele channel e wasro esro penia ye Leo Messi 2021 aye 2022 aye Chelsea season and 2022 2023 82 season and penia fe Leo Messi and so tima ye fe aye Chelsea and pomokwa ye fe PSG na 75 games and boy na out of 75 games run or say aye 32 goals aye 35 for season and my name so to me come on watching aye French League watching Meru Etiman ye fe PSG watching French Super Cup watching Pakuti Matima, ye fe PSG, and Okwa, watching top assist provider, that's one season, and was Samsung Rome ever the team of the season, and so on, and we Penia, ye fe Leo Andre Cosetini Messi, ya Okosia Kantima Tima, ye fe PSG Paris, and Saint-Germain, na Ousmane Dembele 2024-2025 season na and the 53 games ya and one boy Tima ye fan PSG or say 35 goals Messi about 75 matches I share 32 goals Ousmane Dembele about 53 matches I share 35 goals na on the performance watching UEFA Champions League, watching French League watching Coupe de France, watching French Super Cup, and the UEFA and FIFA Club World Cup or Confana, watching one golden boot, watching Champions League Player of the Season, watching Romo, our Champions League of the Season, and was Samsung team, IHSL League 1 Player of the Season, and the Omusi, and Saúde o compare this aye Messi start and penia ye Ousmane Dembele na e kamie sem Ousmane Dembele performance no e kwani pa e tema e che penia ye Leo Messi tema no se kan tema
ye fe pori ai Saint Germain enti we enso ensem kakra ene page support so masha se ni nyina e campaign toward e Ballon d'Or ya tense so mo hwen so mo so petimi na te so mo tebo pania ye fe Osman Dembele Messi competing na one beam enti we e kakra e fropa e te pianko fatoto so enado pai e pepa enti buga kani international abanche fe Kamal Deni Sulemana na meba pano no sanse me pane fe Sulemana na apenti omuti na masami jesero aman ewa Atalanta mesi bo yami ya tuba sense ne shasia Kamal Deni ye behu no na Polta Kwataro woni papa team
Manchester for Kaino
yes
odio mawu
papa for mani agro yes
Kamal Deni na kwada be ne dasro ya
akwata be ni
players
na something koyim famwo mo but Kamal Deni kwa single handed yes nenya asem ketwa ene okọ Italian Serie A okosa ka Gemato Atalanta nya bad
Osman Ibrahim Bukrabi Ogana Ibiso
Osman Ibrahim
two Ghanaians
yes
and Adimola so Ghana Niger
na masem ye Ghana Niger e masem no ma hand over e de ma no ya nyame ya to next season Panther be start up to the team of Atalanta enti kakra enso edi bi enkwe na fatoto so na ye hwe enche na me pa be si no penia ye fe we no mesa we no me ye wo djuma wia sense toso awia na ye wo djuma enti we eye Victor no na se Victor Jokores enche kra mai no wo djuma enso enche opepa na chese ans na atemu no wanso atemi akọpa atwuma entama monti edi bi yanko ya yenwo atwuma quick na ye twati ebuga we ye bra peni no makukura na se hono days after FIFA Club World Cup no I was what the wife jina ni kakra so what asenti yes omu jobo ni pa yes we e makukura and then the left back one day one senior headmaster yes wo jina ni kakra ka oni wife team say yes come up edi bi yankwa fade akatoto so mami high we no last one na buga asebu yampa we ya pantia ye Felicio Junior
yes
na everybody for catch and say and there's a contract no wo mitime bie mu dia unless what is sika so too much wo mu ball bia wo body ma rima dey wo make sense kan sa eti say ya kapa eti e dey report be one share wo no Rodrigo nyina e be free ayetima
yes ko Saudi ya kan ko we African clubs wo Europe wo benya ba bia
yes now bugai after Saudi foreign say everybody for catch and say masa musika obeti so ateso no no msi ya wie
dey dem
na omokotam 350 million euros.
Wow.
And the Panther Felicio Junior. So 5 years, 1 billion. On somebody can want some of that. 80 almost some sort of Tabi says
1 billion.
Yes, 1 billion euros. Now say 5 good years. Yes, Felicio Junior. So everybody for someone respect to her. Yeah, brother Beji says Kawi. Obesan so Jodi, Ope ambassador to say. And never was
said the Ronaldo.
Yes.
Simple.
Vinicius. Eti order that so. Nyame toma. Semade for omo negotiation ankoye dia Saudi Arabia. Na since also the trimuno I know star be say massa. Bola la mi ya ma mo boro. One say better say one chabando no. Obeti eti o say okono ko peska. Eti Vinicius no bando de ultimate. Eti say one corner Uncle Peska nguru botom. Eti buga.
Yes sir.
Enumre awia se betrasa.
Yes.
Yo details some more. Na ye tiapo bia nso tebe ka ne Friday eti Juma mu balak enkofmo dinisem fo nyina muga yenti afisem
me da asem so for prof wiam no ne nsem tio se ba fi na afei ya ba bedi afisem nkomo kakra wasegusu a wutie o best sports station Liberty 92.7 aya no pokoko se ba bia wo bia biam ne nkomo kakra se na da ne da me kan so kolimam kromo pa na wa biam bruta e na afei chase yesu ya adwuma e wo alezua barbarin salon so bo adwuma na afei na na butre mu nyina biam na pa yi o mu tie sports mu atemu otwam ya kona ni nkomo kakra wa afisem wonim se so ramu ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko list of players sabre impanifo je so muntimi ni omu engagement afa no na chi omu sanu players awro pira no aba be piem Kumasi na pai e di players ndi nyina no de ba we di players of Safarami Adama season impanifo je so badima no nsori nti impanifo ja wono kwan player bi ti se Kwasi Asante oko afa Fred Kasari Make Che Domina Adran Ajete Wisdom Fernando Bassi Samson Eduku na afa Justice Blue omu players Mako so ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko ja won kwan we di players Kotoko Asan so Asan wo mu biem Hubert Jau ono wabo free break Chelsea Francis Akwa Johnson Opong Owusu Fuseni Zakaria Aziz Haruna Dari Seth Kwajo Joseph Amwa Lord Hilary Adabo Philip Amon Shaibu Abubakar ono right back from Kayana Bisaf Samuel Kasadie owa besia kan e de amako to na fei uwramu Guinea club wo the team e de Hafia club na player ni team e de Morfin Donzo so the number to some am your yellow shirts Morfin Donzo na we striker he say Kotoko Asan was 3 years you know so obesia kama Kotoko ni Kasadie 11 players na Kotoko Atma so far ya don sem na de ba yan kuranim na eni komo kakra Uramwo former Manchester City on play anything at Mohamed Aminu na no ka say okobro chena de na mfa na wasanto bagana ya wasi obabesia kan ediama BECHEM United yente play anything at Mohamed Aminu wa press abrei obesane enso ediama BECHEM United no.
This coming year is going to be my year for sure because I've been preparing for this and we are on it, so I don't have much to say. That's all. You're going to see everything on the media. So.
What do you think one of the guys that
It's normal to that though, because it's football, you know. Someone will like you, someone won't like you, someone will doubt you, someone will not doubt you. So I'm forever grateful and I'm happy for them doubting me. They're making me stronger, you know, like making me doing more, training more. So big thanks to them. That's it. Depends on them, you know, and my hard work as well. I don't have anything to say about that, so let's see.
Well, when is some playality at the Mohamed Amin one Obaba Sane at the Ama BECHEM for no pay or ma yet for us of Kakan Kurna Vey, Yenin Komaka Kotoko, so Kotoko Karada Kwasane, a new right back, Yani Diani Shaibu Abubakar na Waba. Say why a warrior when you toss a do back one Kotoko at Asani Piano Nachi no Sani Sakorabra. Wo you say yes what son of Kotoko no say that we are crack Kotoko team the ono bro said na odo team the pioneer player the team at Shaibu Abubakar.
Sometimes I heard from Sharif from Tamale.
Yeah.
He played for Kotoko. Good things about Kotoko and the fans, how they are lovely. And one time I played against Kotoko, R2 vs Kotoko last 2 seasons. Then in the fall he told me like to play very well. I'll get a chance to join Kotoko. Like maybe one day I will call from Kotoko, because whenever you are playing for Kotoko, like they telecast the match, so you have to put on your best. And maybe people will see you around, they see how good you are. Maybe one day you'll be able to join the club. And I already had that chance. And I said that I would be more aggression. Then the one thing I like doing is my speed. Yeah. I should expect more like aggression, then more like putting all my best to help the club.
How are you?
Not
Well, when is some playality and so the Shaibu Abubakar no Sabre, Wababe Sani Ama Kotoko 3 years, Sabu Babi Sakama Kotoko no pay, Yama Yate versus Kakan Kurna Fay, Yenin Komokaka, or the Ghana Football Association Communications Director Penny and Eddie Henry Asante Chum Yate. So Yasa Black Queens, and nobody won't come on Wanka, no Panin Kasachi, so no, what did he? Some Penny for Triak Kadina, Sana Mafoka, Sir just a GF4. Black Queens, because on the Caribbean, Yinti or Penny and Dean, Eddie Henry Asante Chawano, and a Casa Edema the GFN.
Normally, before tournaments, we submit budgets to the ministry. This budget includes bonus structure. And then the ministry, for that matter, government decides on what to pay. As we speak, I am not privy to how much was approved for them in terms of winning bonus. And I am glad that they cleared the outstanding per diem allowance before they went into the game against Tanzania, which is positive. Luckily, they won, so they are going one more week. And then I pray that will also be cleared. It's good to go into games with a clear mind and clear conscience, knowing that there is no external factors fighting your psyche. So let me commend the ministry and, for that matter, government for clearing those allowances.
Well, not just when it's some opinion, the Henry Asante Chonum, and a Casa de Machef and the two down a Payame for, and so at Timatanochi, and I'll sing Uncle Poya to my black with him, sir, and not much now. Yamba boy in game against Algeria, a African Cup of Nations across Morocco. Now, also, I did say Ghana, Kwambia, so you better made in Kuna for top four, and so Ghana, yet to Akahom, Yentio Pania, the dear Henry Asante Chum.
Well, I think when you go into a tournament with a lot of new players, this is expected. The first game against South Africa didn't go according to plan. I think we played well, hit the crossbar on 3 occasions, created a number of chances, but the players were a bit jittery. So the end game was that we lost by 2-0 against an experienced South African team who are reigning champions of the tournament. We quickly put that behind us and went into the game against Mali, looking for our first win. Another difficulty or challenge we had was that we have played Mali about 2 or 3 times in recent years. So they've got a fair idea of our setup. There is a
well, when is some Ghana Football Association communication that opinion team Eddie Henry Asante Chomri to that number more now. Also Ghana, yet me show my team or Algeria and some Dawson. Yet me see what to a better stuff for him. Yet the external version about the public can pay your damn non some about a better meeting Eddie watch it Freddy commit my friend said Bugatti.
For bills are canning mo. Bills set 2025 year. And it does so homo bia what you walk only ejumaye. Ain't if I when it bills. Na beji loan na ubeti media ya wow ejuma. Way a loan don't come me. Wun yashio. Nye wun hiane wu Ghana card. Ewa na wun saka usika. Na sa we obia we ya wow ejuma upesa utremu. Anasa we ejume niya. Uchi busumi aketria. And your bill se bray. Na beji loan na. Fabi BS Yawa collateral and NASA deposit. We hear Mubia. Ain't ya fate? Bill says will be a 1 year to maybe a Ubetunia Bejin loan don't come in Nubi. Nasa what's nephew na when yes, he can be dear. Hey, wow. Ain't if Fred Bill says, it was 0596 920 833 and 0302 200 390. Now what's to me at Yawo Bills? Name HSA Kakrawo Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills microcredit HSA Bills financing your needs.
Esiane kaja yaseda Mira se say de min sumi bi afei de ameme edan ba kwa ye behan ye na say otena say de min sumi bi yo be ye bia enye fiewre yi fe
ba ye pa wo pampam no na din sha na ye hye wo na se fiewre anya wo say ya emma wo tirim se wo besida na fiewre bi tete wa comfort ata 68 enterprise na se ma fia ba store say obema onwoma wo de besi wo fie na wo so wonya ba bi de utiato na panifo say se wonya ba bi de utitu na brabo na no comfort ata 68 enterprise anasa mafia ba store to adanse hu nyoma ni nyina bi ahyase ko se awie bit say cement iron rods wheelbarrow pickers shovel hammer carpenter for so yanyi mu ma your foreign plywood a wo betimi dey your kitchen cabinet wardrobe and your design plywood a wo betimi dey your ceiling na fese na so wo pop ni wi a plywood e be ma wo ade show tv na chi ebi wo ho stickers design bi leather and material papa ye dey yankonya asande yampa leather ye dey leather pragya enkonya ene car so dia blue ye wa 99 and a top band carpenter for so mutusu ni nyina bi wo ho ene de mo de ye adwuma ye sa wo paint na hodo ni nyina bi be say home paint DTM paint flamingo oil paint and a local paint foreign paint so wo ho no so color wo pe no ne amese de ma wona spray car so ye de mo paint ni bi aba ye super shine hardener clear ene de keka ho wotimi display fu na kan na so wo se wo de ni wi a ya ma won tanse papa wo de bow down so mosquito net black and blue wire mesh padlock alarm de and a high security na sa da ofia woni a comfort kwanta mobile comfort at 68 enter Enterprise. Anasa Mafia Basto. I'm a Simifie. Na Asedanka Mifira. What it me? Sakanyo no ankama enchina nkori comfort ata 68 Enterprise. Anasa Mafia Basto. I was a huginas. Nana Dick filling station. Wow. Fair manager Nana Pia. I was a humatrufo we so 0541 087624. Afiwe Mafia Basto nti tenant bia. Besinifie.
Oh correct sir. I take a woman. Merimedro delay man capsules ya wonum ye die. Boy ye. Ahode na wanya ne sa no. Wo delay adwuma no so papa. Na wo che. Na wo ye ni ye pa. Delay man capsules. I don't know. Ama me sisi me ko todwe mo ye den. I can see. Na local mixture ene the capsules a. E man ne marima nyina num bie no. Me num bie no me do. Wo hu me say. Me hu say wa hifie ho ayefe neat pa. Enti na wo ko hye wo a wo delay sa. Sa. Local mixture and the capsules means so afiti kromo yaw biem miura se wo be delay kra no a means no be ma na wo ba bia wo be hu dia wo mpe ana wo beti yaw bi e wo ho ba bia no fa local mixture esia no yare bi te se gonorrhea white syphilis and the keka ho no wo bia woni ntime nyi da entima local mixture and the capsules e meyi firi ho e wo heba and pharmacies nyina mu dodo afre 0242 133 577
ana 0248-619-999.
Local mixture and the capsules. And what's that there? In kind. Omandishie esen wo kwampa ye fa susumi en customers nti apartment fi ura bank abaye bank ya dodo no age atomu abefo kwanya ye de mani sika ni nyina ye obi wa ha Express Automated Clearing House, Mobile Money Transfer, Apex Link I Transfer, and a Western Union. Your branch is this way. You were electronic banking, so a 24/7 ATM services. Baby, any Sashiba Kwai, Sashijunase, Asankra, and a Dunkon of him. You switch bankers drafts and a SMS alert here. A more would the echoes our account to mono, and also come home. Apartment Fura Bank, dear. Yansamu, you were easy loan products, and my abandon to my phone. Now less than 3 hours. Now it's a count loan. About the third party and a comprehensive insurance and so on. Bra apartment Fura Bank. There were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Aguna Menfi, Sashijunasi, Sashioso, Sashibekwai, Sashaquantomra, Dunkon of Fen, Diaso, Babiani, Swamada Diaso, Yukwa Himai, Denchira Subin, Wasajabo, Ajakamansu, Sashinzaura, Awasu, and a Fufrokra, and Swaba Sashi Asampane, and near Medidra, Nemfasu Boom, Embra Usikaso, your head office, our Wasan Kwasu, Freyan 0243 116 966 and 0244 948 600 Afi 0549 040 570 Apartment Fi Rural Bank Yeni Mufretete Apartment Fi Rural Bank Yashumoda.
The second edition of the biggest party of the year, You Go Craze 2.0, is happening live inside Seshurioso, Abodion Junction, Zuvo Bar and Lounge. Last year, You Go Craze was super lit. This year, on July 27th, 2025, You Go Craze 2.0, You Go mad, baby. So don't miss out on the biggest party of the year. You Go Craze 2.0, hosted by Hyman Fergie, the life of the party, and DJ Cash, supported by MC Abrantier, DJ Apolizi, and DJ Suspect. Also, get ready for the biggest fireworks of the year. You Go Craze 2.0. You go mad, baby.
Sika ketewa bi wo ho, sika kesie wo ho, and too much money so wo ho. Telecel too much money promo no abegwa. What Telecel too much money promo mu no, ubetimi edi 100 Ghana cedis. What debia da akensie ni mu, 20,000 Ghana cedis. What na watwe bia akensie ni mu, and 1.2 million Ghana cedis. What akensie kesie pa ni mu. Eno ye Ghana cedis opepem ba ko ni ahenu. Reload the airtime keke, nenya pointer. Ebe mo nya kwenya, wodi be dinkunim. Dial star 500 hash. Ana ko Telecel play app so therefore we say too much money promo ni mu say ya tumadi ese sheka krada ho.
Telecel, connecting energies.
Eneli
me ba junior mengro mabra wo ho pai
na wani na agye a wogye wo ba grossa no
na ade a wonyame nam dota mu a owo personal natural health care so aye eno na di bani je say o
peske awo ho nsem de otenete se wo kase mu obuo o prostate aye kese ama onya dwonso mu amanuhunu ana empaso mreyo
say yes stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure sisi yade afichi kroma manihunu enemu yade hodo ene yade bia was
ne se wa na medi oluman eni oledi kwa check up owo mfidie pa meye na adomatri ko ani na nse mi double no who ni sen
hey I'll grow here
oba wo pese wo hips anase wo to eya akese ye ho adwuma sanso ene se stretch marks ajo we dia boso a eno nso ye yi free ho berima oba masua na pese wo pagyamu no bra ye be pagyamu ama obe hu peske ewo Accra La Paz Nyamiche Junction ye wo Crown Prince School no achi wa Kumasi G runabout Medila bachi wope baby ani edese human rural bank wo mu no sawi also empomam ye ne Church of Pentecost ene di nhwanimu takwa Roman stores opposite Zenith Bank
Sunyai ofri Kumasi KOTOKO house Rex ye ne total filling station no ne di nhwanimu
Fre Peske ewo 055 773-8555
Peske
quality hair
no sir
Sika ketewa bi ho sika
sɛ mpanyin kasa numsuo twɛn ɔpa na ɛnyɛ nsuo bi akɛkɛo na mmom nsuo a ɛbɛma wo atumi agyina ɔpɛ ano density natural mineral water ne sachet ɛne dispenser bottle yɛ nsuo a yɛahyɛ da ayɛ ɛde ekum wɔn sukɔm density natural mineral water pebinom wate Anio, yanum ensure the kum yensukom nom density natural mineral water. Biaya ye ensure no ye pa. Yewo 500 milliliter sachet. Ena 19.5 liter dispenser bottles. Ma afie ne offices. Shwe ye chikwan wo number 27 New Ridge. Ewo tanoso kwantempono so hwa. Fre 0596 604743 and 0208 466256 na koto bi ye waye fro eye ene badwam nhyiamude density natural mineral water insu papa nie FDA age adwade enkrato yi atum
Wifey, nesana we active say. Ede kane wo be no ammo ho de nam ho. Oh.
Jemi Razabren. Na minya araba bazen pills. Edu ma fichi cross wa nyo. Etimi ka me say dwe. Bosumi bi wo no a he emaye. Eto da ba etimi basi boom boom boom. Ebi nso wo ha. Minya tinka bia krasa me no be hia.
Bode ne hami o.
Oh, araba bazen pills ba ye. Ejisa haw ni nyina afri ho. Enne moja di me mu afri sane ye. Me moja so ne krojin.
What? Why your best mapa? Na araba bazen pills aswemu emei hunchu capsules so aswe ne mema no pa ma sese de no odwonso 10 pie no wanya hoto do no odwonso anemu ya ne ya ono so ho ato no dwonso emu apaye divided urine hunchu capsules abeyi wo haw nyina afie ne mema so
mira na wo kai last time enka wo ya se wo ho obazi mu no
asem na kwabo so se dwonso na fumi mu o se me huro hwe be funa ne se oh me hu se basa du ba bi nso kra ma dwonso via me fisi ma wie no na se kakra kem wow sese hunchu capsules you haw nyina firi ho kra
Araba bazen pills ani hunchu capsules ebi wa pharmacy ani chemical shop biem
wo se hwene important ho a obenya bi wo Candice license chemical store wo se hwe also wo fa Kisi Herbal e wo dwena se Ernestina Herbal e wo se hwe bekwai Junior Saman ani Prince Moses Pharmacy wo sciences SKD e wo se hwe dwabo so obetuma afre Kulun Ghana Limited e wo 05049 06665 0545 906665.
Hey, so as for you, every day you are just pressing your phone. Why? Are they paying you?
They are, Oma. The more I use my MTN, the more points I get. And I can use those points to get airtime, data, and even discounts at shops and restaurants.
Hey, so that is why all of you are always pressing your phones. And you won't tell us, so that we too we can enjoy some.
Oh, ma.
There's always more to enjoy with MTN Rewards. Just keep talking, testing, and browsing all day, every day to collect your points and use it to redeem amazing offers and discounted freebies right away. There's so much available for you. So dial *550# and get your reward today. Let's go everywhere you go.
Kweku, have you heard what they are doing on MTN?
Kwazi?
Kaya so.
What's that?
Yami Adom.
Nice one.
Yami Adom ne Ashe Nti Yamuti Papa.
Thank you. Representing the NPP in Susu, Nketia Destiny, and also a member of the MPP regional communication team. Destiny.
Kayosu.
What is it?
Oh, yeah, don't pa.
Nchebi alako kama.
Mikuru jole de yejunu sana menyaje pa. What easy pa.
Nice one. Now, what do you know?
What in our pa? Iti ya yejumi kuru jole no dia. Ya de ne what ma ho ho pa.
Me. So kamen gumpa ha da bi ya tawani ya twa ha ya hasa hingum.
A hot na hore pa, hot na hore pa.
Yes, so ko so na apimenia bi mo gua.
Apimenia bi mo gua. But ye wra ye we di no angomede. E dey pi gua what hwe.
Yeah. I see. Okay. Anapay anuanu mi na me no mu ehia wa hase ye ba bedi nkomo ye behwe nsema pipi dwa so enna anapay but mama fast da emfama the big family enterprise esmen kancho se wo se open niam wa de besiesie wo dan mu te se electronics any home appliances ni nyina wo mu wo de nyina bi fridges, television sets, air conditions, or more air cylinders, microwaves, or more air blenders, or more fan wind machine, or more air decoder, and have almost answer wallpapers in ebi. Cooking utensils are or more FAE carpets and mattresses. Open air blind curtains and so more air all sizes and all colors. One more air junase, one more any frames. Filling station and Edian Mushe announce what do any ebechim aya abrosina Sahuman Rural Bank a woman a while so your shop back ewo ubet me afrayin 0243920371 and 0244675960. Big family enterprise. You say quality and affordability. Ye ka say yebedu munsuo. Ya no munsuo nso dia ensuo ba akopɛ eno a ene density natural mineral water anapɛ me kanfo de ma wo ma won sanka density ensuo nanom bi na ono mabo sampa wonya nsu pa na wo nom ensuo ye kwa akohyeda tintim ye mfidi na ewo bia edi ese efata nanti ye tu nsuo no na ye de famfidiem eye bibia ewia ensuo a ye digu eye sachet rubber no mu ama wo nom no eye clean. Saranso and you 19.5 liter bottles ewo honum. And it's so our office and how if you now be here in Sudia free a density natural mineral water as you for. So your wedding, your engagement, a year and a wo ya bedin to and then a wo ya be here in Sue was here. And one say over fraying 0596604743 and 0208 466 256 and now when you ewa yasuye number 27 New Ridge Tanaso Main Road eho ena yewo density de obia si eye super tell us all wo se enkan na se woto eye data bundle woto 400 Ghana cedis na ye ma 190 gig but this is here the woto 400 Ghana cedis now sikana na the to enable no data no ebi ababeka ho ye be ma 250 gig and it does not expire. This means that you get to enjoy more data at no extra cost. Simply dial star 700 hash and star 530 hash. Have a access a variety of unbeatable data deals. I will tell us also. For our be, please don't miss out. Stay connected with Telecel today because Telecel there we are connecting energies. Anapay V1 Pro smart glasses no a very quality as also a affordable glasses a boa utumi at the bo enyum utumi at the receive calls a voice assistant utumi at the twa photo na ade ba ko a won wo mu ne say ubetumi a charge the whole day ube use answer battery no akolo eye mema ene ma ena eyusu and it's on sale. Enti wo awani eje won obetumi afre number 0243665188 anopay oba
woni mo nyama ne wutiri mi ntima wutiri ho nyefe oba wonam na wutiri ho nyefe amesro price wunya bi enti kobia pa ebetumi asiesie wutiri ho dia mama wutiri ho ayekama ye won ne mapade nyina bi ewo ho wokọ Superior Hair and Beauty Supplier ehonom de ye ma eye niema na nyina bi ye botiri ye siesie tiri ho matiri ne yekama ye wo relaxers ye wo eye treatments ne wo oil ahodo ne nyina bi ho ye wo eye styling tools ne nyina zo ebi human hair and synthetic wigs ye wo ne nyina bi weave bundle ye wo shampoo ye wo conditioners na ye sanso e wo eye living ubehunu ye e wo mahina bro san ne mu e wo dwuna ase wo de wo free eye station honum na wo wani akire mu se wo kọ eye locus ubehun se o mahina bro san e wo ho after Adum Coastal honoma ena Superior Hair and Beauty Supply ewo fra 0242449977 ana 0555568100 ofra wo ebejiso anapei ma menko na fi yenkonko di enkomo yasema yede fridge ma de yase has to do with the Dr. Mustafa Hamid ene Ninuanom ho nsɛmsɛm na story na no pay essay Dr. Mustafa Abdul Hamid, the former Chief Executive Officer of the National Petroleum Authority NPA, along with 9 other individuals, is set to appear before the Criminal Division 3 of the High Court on Wednesday, July 23, 2025. This follows the corruption-related allegations filed by the Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP. And according to the OSP, Dr. Abdul Hamid is alleged to have orchestrated an extortion and money laundering scheme that generated a total of 280,516,127 Ghana cedis, 19 pesos, between the year 2022 and December 2024. Out of this amount, 24 million Ghana cedis was purportedly paid directly to him, with the remaining funds allegedly funneled through third parties and 3 corporate entities. The Office of the Special Prosecutor confirmed the court appearance in an official statement published on its Facebook page on Thursday, July 17, 2025. Dennis. Destiny, correct. Yeah, I hope, Chair, this is bad news for the MPP. But Mustafa is saying, Chair, he hasn't done anything like that.
Oh, Mami Timinchia, what he for now, call me some suspicious.
What more, Joso?
Yeah. Now, the American say, I was kicking my own government. I brought a Akonya also. Say, will be for in corruption. I was making sure, say, Sani Pano, Bechini Pano. Because Omani Sikano, ye na idea. Enti any quantity will be ba. Nani paba kwa betam on my sika. Ya de bon mano na omano edi mu ewo mani mu a na obako afa na ewia ne ye jani pa ne se onam ho na timamufu a omo epe adwuma ma wo ne de omo ebre because government de onya adwuma. Government as institution does not work. Ye taxes ye ma me mo ko fo mu taxes mo eno mo di tua abanwoka iti woso emu na wonya bi now that it need say omo tete omo taxes wi na wie na se dipa ba ko eye ni ma bi anya e was make sure for ma beche no mo hwe Mustafa na me da ya me kan say eye no kure say sa sika we 280 million Ghana cedis na ye ka ho asem say wafa mo che no eni kwan say mu girejina so kura case we kura. But as a near Office of the Special Prosecutor and no, as a Kayaso, sorry to say, as a Jumano Wonim and Isubiasa. Yes, because in 7 months in government, and I'm mobile, and I'm can say corruptions are caused on the previous government in up to date. Kayaso, one I didn't court.
But they say Okaso be a corrupter. I also investigating.
We investigate.
We have evidence.
But it almost starting from day one. No. Omunya prosecutor will be say way. Why you say it's nipa we ya chine ye. Oh my. kaya so baby o man na do say brain no enye afi na ye ba iti amana akwa de say ase NDC aban we e the false charges bi na e bon crofo because we see obi aye say ya me so niema bi so say obi adi sika wo so man tra wo man ni mu e wo so make sure say nipa no ne ho be kire no e wo man ni mu because your man ni sika but say nipa no ne ho e kire wo man ni mu e wo so wo to bo ase e hwehwe mu ni yi ase niema bi a wo ye no won to ne bo ase e fare cases ni yo iti case yo be ko bia ase ne wadi fo ne nipa na wene no minwa no no crazy it is a nipa na ye say but cases no we be ko bia ne nipa na wene no it's up to date 7 months ni ye yan hu ni say watimi abo bi call do say we na ye say e o man mu it ni pa ba oh yes say office of special prosecutor or hwehwem ye be wie na nipa na ba woni case no mi hu an so no nkrofo so adifika o man mu no kure it's quite say ye yan trusty NDC government ni ye in terms of corruption
na say OSP mo na mo de ne buy
oh da bi ye na de ne buy but ya ban ni ho
all right.
What ma say? It is one is for GDS and the Juma party no te ho anameboana.
Me too pa.
It is a Juma party no te ho na say nipa na Juma na oye no. I say fasobia mafu. Who has been fasobia mafu in 7 months in government fasobia mafu. As me wa no nipa ne te ho se wo ye adwuma. So as a trustee bia any NDC government ni mo. In terms of corruption scandal say bia obi aye say no money scandal yanko penny pan yanko chi no obi awe wi sika say no yenje NDC for any eti amana ko eti say NDC aba no edum na bia omo the first charges bi on be so mo ye bibia ma ye hu say omo ye adwuma o man ni mu me wa adwuma no omba be ye no man ni mu no in fact so nya ma so baako ene de Mustafa ne lawyer kra deny but ube ko mo bia auto boss kra hwehwe mu a ebi wo kra ka bia e be ye no kre.
But I said the lawyer will always deny.
The lawyer will always deny. But don't let him say, "I had your bawini case, you know."
Okay.
Because OSP ni adwuma na oh ye no wo je onye hu ani so bia sa. Asa adwuma no anim. Ba mi wan adwuma no so wa ye bia che. E so to bo ase case ra dey so to bo ase. Mi da bia me kan sa ase mu say. Aban bia ba corruption ekoso. But say aban ya wo dey si obo say wo be make sure say corruption also so ne de e wo say we make sure say 7 months ni anya hwe kura no e wo say kan nya nipa ba ko bi but 7 months ni ye de we bo say bia kaya so why say we be kom so ni kaya so nya hwe yo ni ye ja no no nam ho iti kaya so aban we wugini di anse wugini ni
oye ma ban
we wa ban but trust bi ani
fine I don't know yeah what
because say o mani sika o sika wo man mu no who government as tissue does not work aduma be na government eye government ni kokko afu o iti eye o man no taxes ye betete ni kakran dwadifo ma omugu dwamu obekọ dwamu market ho se do mugu on enye easy o musika no motete na o di abo o man ho ka na se nipa ba ko ewiewia sa sika na kaya so eye
ene anya.
It is a waba. I was so standing with 2 me so when am I to about the ma no? Yes, people 40 me and yes say 18 or to about Edema John Domini Mahama. It's SNC. Sebra. So if there is a problem, you need to face the problem. But almost Biano say, oh, listening to them. They talk and see their opposition. They talk and see they are doing campaign. But what you any power? Solve the problem.
You know, the
oh, that court to the court to say.
So the neko.
Quote equisishi, ye wa ha. Equisishi. Me so say obi ndi sika o mani mu so me so.
But court na say ye adwuma no.
Court na say ye adwuma.
But OSP na won nyama ye.
That nim dia no. One say in case they were doing investigation, we so make sure say we be baby are relevant in the system. But I say adwuma na all ye no. When ye nim adwuma na ni so. Iti adie na oye bia obeye no yesika ya so di sika sei asika ya so mi wa bia no wa di sika no ba obekọ no obedi ni sukunim it wait me fa court but court are there waiting for say fani pane bra wo si wa yesi afane bra
and you who say this court na all court go see
oh go see kaya so we are in government.
Okay, I'll come back to you.
Yeah,
Oliver
kaya so
mama ntie we unu ya na say OSP na djuma wo ye ne de enko ba court our kokra nkosi hwe. Let me listen to you.
Kaya so anopa maminchia liberty atifo ene NDC ma
anope umutie me. Me regional minister anope mechiano. Kaya so me moreover say asem wo court ne nka ye no oka na wahwe no ye or because enya ko di court ye nka no
but it's a we on judge
me yawe but obetana ha na okano watare because of politics.
Oh, but it's on what access OSP do ma oye and all kind of ones.
On say owo konso yechi na meba na anase me kogena baby na me koka say kaya sumpo liberty ya wo eni konso echi ya wotena no wonni madwuma no hwehwe enso mu de nasi ho. Moreover, yefo bi adwuma
based on your nipa na hu nti na waka ne
and yes based on the nipa na hu.
Yes,
but on normal grounds yefo bi adwuma, I'm not dealing with politics here. On normal grounds yefo bi adwuma, we talk about the experience of the person, work experience, qualification, and sana even work experience impon yes I will yearly spend say 10 years yearly span work experience, 5 years weekly span of experience, and sana omodi adwuma ne bema nipa no omodi ema nipa no enti nanado na ban na wankasa wa ban wo mu no na okase oninim de bia ena omodi kofa na wabu nanado animutia enti sabe nanado Ghana ha wa hu obia se obia onim de ewose woye onim ne left onim ne right eno kofa ni besi ho se the office of the special prosecutor no omna no meden ometena ho nya adwuma menua. Let's be factual with some of the untrances are about radio yeka anti about personal integrity is one of the most important thing. Maybe tia isabe obetanish me personal integrity, I wouldn't be okay with you in spite of politics. In spite of politics. Inti wo wa ban no ababe yi OSP 2018. Now upon the competency and the credentials of this man, kisie jaben ne obetana ha. Now just matter of aban sisa 7 months. Na ubebu nipa na mutia wabu abanya ni mutia. But umbu ndisi ni mutia. Inti ndisi bae ye bae.
Per his assessment.
His assessment, you know, the OSP started working in 2018.
Correct. And in 2018.
And in 2018, you say you can say ye the case ko ne ho a no obi adibim ye the case ko ne ho a the ho na sisi di ada pa case ko ya. Actually ni ehu ba bia case no. E ka akono. And all these things happened under the MPP regime.
And all the NDC there 7 months to talk.
Inti oyusu NDC assessment of 7 months. So what they can say, what they can manage na say.
And so past near money nyina ebetumi approve a point.
Past near money nyina no prove a point. Yente ha na OSP ankasa no. Obeka say oba out verbally. Say some of the offices and institutions ni bi omo preventing no from some investigations wasa waye nti ema na dwuma eye den.
Correct.
Martin Hamidu. Dear bad na ye ya Martin Hamidu or there resign.
On also can say
very good. Enti sama ban na ye niema opened. Edema no. Se onye ni nhwehwe mu na bibia nkototen. Na wona o matam aban sika. Edi afa kwambone so. Edie ye nche wo ma. Anke na nka wo ma me unya sa tumi no ma metena ha. E ma mebu papa na nmutia efo na dwuma ho.
But it's all moon and him. Na juma wa ye ho asem no.
Iti adwuma na wo ye na make say obu na nimutia me ba. Keep quiet. Obu na nimutia fa na adwuma ne ho. But ono ankasa ye de obi di kan ko share ho. Wa resign ni. Enti nipa ne ko share ho no na fair play e wo ho a anka nipa no resign ni. Ye di nipa foforo nso akɔhyɛ ho wa ba be lodge the same complaint first nipa nipo de obechire mu sabio ye pe aboa ode omampehini akufu ado toto no ya aboa wowo se ye penipa ketase akorodo na one ni akufu ado na akufu ado ɛte sɛ aboa wɔwɔ a wɔdaadaa ne ho kyerɛ nipa enti ɛno na ɛbɛkyerɛ wo sɛ office na yɛde na si hɔ no modi ni si hɔ all right for the public view sɛ ɔmɛyɛ adwuma bi sei but na adwuma nankasa yɛɛyɛ no manfa na nsiye nti ɛno ɔbɛtena ha sɛ o like o bɛdosa no ɛfa na adwuma ho a menua you need to go and come back again. Back to the main topic. Ayedi ho komo no. Sa papa we mekai enya papa we na within 2016 to 2017 no ye is the minister for anameboa Zongo Zongo and others no. Good. 2017 before 2017 elections. We had some of these people with emotional speeches. Omo kasa na omusu. And omusu nyina no they were practically based on corruption. Mahama Abai wakwaya bas branding corruption. To a radio so was say wosu. And this same person, timer OSP or kasa asem we nyina no ni nyina ko see time ani ato abawie 2024. All the transactions went on in December 2024. And our transactions we nyina ko so. Enti sa wo lawyer beba be defended ye court sabi court it say himfie. Ya wadre wadrasem na ani aka dia kwa akogo. And with OSP, the investigations are why this time around. I mean, you are not better how or wadri ni nyina no. Send this by yenchi obia yechi wuntu mi. Enya man na mo be bodom pim. Mo be bodom pim sa mo be wuntu mi no. Yenchi obia no yeti mi ya serve finance minister on corruption allegations. Eduru so amwan PP for na you sit on radio and defend it. Ye de kwan ya ye de ama no no ye nyi bi mfirim se hwi kwan ka ho ayi udru akontombra omo was stretch road before hotu is enchi also ye timi atam $46 million e de ama wuntumi wakodi ne kwa wasai no ensu ko du kwan ne so kwa hwe kwan $46 million kwan a ye tua hu sika de ama wuntumi se wuntumi aye na orebe ho. Not to talk of a galamsey issues. Yet ha otimi Ghana bank to me jina wun to me echi. Wakwa je bank bosinya $15 million. So the kwako do abudu was in suya for abudu no abudu na say. Yet no. And you people were defending. Liberty FM. And two betena ha. Now beka say NDC baye. NDC intimi nyeshe. Efa nchichia huwa. Minua. O kan we manisi say. O kan we manisi say. I'm not here to support that be. But papa we dia OSP. What time now we na kokoti. Enu tina medikan ka say ye di asam kokota. You can't verbally say asam no we dibem and as we difo. But say a lawyers fo nginem na a judges fo nso ntena asam no so wie no. Ye ka wie na ba bia bekwa akoto, being it money laundering, being it defrauding the state. Say bia wa fa kwan boni bi so na sa sika twitwi dia ye ka say agida yi a ye twhwe ekokopie na kache dia ene minua sikano bepu aba. So this is not even ye jeli won kura yesterday na wasi ye crazy scano ekope ba bi scano wo enti mu fra ban mu na agenda 111 mo jagu ho contractors a montu omka JNDC aban ene ye bepe kwan ya ye befa so ye betu agenda 114 ka mu fra ban mu no ayi akwan omo ye akwan kanko an etwam $21 billion. Modi slogan de to so since 2018 year of rose abra mode kwan ma contractors amuntu omka just recent ya ena mahama odumbie wapemu $4 billion e de akwakotu ya so bi. And I tell you sir, $280 million ebi mpogu so 280 million no the kind of stretch Rose betimi aya no woman we mu no enye kwan ketwa to talk of even NSS sika akwa NSS and I sit back edu baby how the emotion akase ya na ya I sit back to assess all these things NSS nipa ba akopɛ ne din etimi PM almost 20-25 ewe NSS for potaso na sika equivalent to $50-something million etimi jira. And you have MPP as a party to come to defend all this reckless. When you know beba betena radio so omobeko yache nipa nimpo na nipa ni demu no omobeko akogina police station munyi ni maye enti o MPP ni but omo nwene man ne ho se nipa no tumi na ye de man no oba ye no de bedi Ghana so na MPP nye kuru and as MPP nye man. Always I've been saying NDC ni MPP ye nye man ye party ya betu kuro Ghana kuro no ye betu ye nantetu ani atwa constitution no na Ghana wo ho and men kan fan kwa akire he omus baby a ye kyekyere aboa no ehwa na ye den ye sane no ewom se ma ban na aba but I will be factual on this and say it yankopon adom and this buy on the 4th Republic e bin see that Western North akwanya omampehini mahama odiama Western North for on appointment one hour modi or motor board so deputy CEOs even pointy health minister the deputies ewe your region yesra wo keta se die yempese at the end of day no nan this ye ho akwa for dim na yete ha na say emine bi beba na ye better no ye say honorable kwabla mita kando ni eba bia fa ne nsase enti sabio yakwakwati kwabla mita kando obi ti say ayi mankasa me communication officer regional communication officer Jerome say bia ni eba bia kofa ne nsase enti yakwakwache no yesra wo mo there should be fair a fair play in their management enti yeti ha ya ye kan obi die yi enkonko ba se mene bi beba ndisi nso ya ma me ye den ya ma me kan ye de and corruption no party even mahama nkasaka mahama aka se ebaketa se shedia na ubi waye wadwen se wo ma appointment no oba na abaim se oba ba be bomba ne krono de a ene ye mena ne etochewa o ma wakwanya ne se be som wa mo wakwanya se be bokro no na nsenya ye MCs ni DCs call orientation yi those were the strict warnings se mama wakwanya no se koye adwuma baketa se che de nka ho enti mokotena mo assembly ho na mokodu na mokoye niema bi ma ne kofole saa niema no keta se hye na mo hu ko bon mu di a eno ano no ma aban no mayi matwe me ho afiri wo nkyai oni aban mo kwa akoko ahye enti don't let us as a party let's fight a common goal nyenja blame games betena ha kan sama eye agini nyina ye hu you are putting blames on a government awaba for just 7 months but you've been in power for 8 years 8 years no and she say ye pa ben anamon ben na mutwa de to ho e de fa sa corruption na yini mu nyina ho yet o man we mu enam aho kire o ketase so bi anya watam no bi ho kire no aho kire nti ben maba etimi frulat po wakasoa of frulat po ekoso light ahomam eja ne ho ebofom kun ne ho ewa aho kire nti wase ne ho kire no amamuo no oman no owo mu no empanfo no nya niema ye okuni ho kwa enche bia o this thing I'm talking about happened in 2022 wagana ha ya wakasoa and so way back 2016 oman panhini bi ba be Ghana agua no okam ye ti ase se there was a country or can history there was a country bia obi ho kire na ma ne ba public ebe kan say enam aban no ni nhyehyɛ ye bia enkoso a yedie papa ema o masetena mu ni nti no ɔde ne ho aba afɔde watwa gade ato ne ho mu wahye ne ho enti de omampahini bɛka yɛ ɔde bɛpɛ Ghana akonwa 2016 ɛne de obi nso kɔ kaso a abrante yo so ɔno nso ne ho kyere no niema bi nkɔyie a ofuru lat post so a ogya ne ho ɛbɔ fam ku ne ho no ni difference na no ne de yɛ
kwasi me das
but mami fama no nsi omampahini bi aba assistance now yayi e-levy afiri ho yayi tax afiri ho bet tax emission tax yayi afiri ho ye kasa sisi ye nuar mo won nursing training omo allowance back date 6 months yetua free stress on tertiary first years fees yetua enhyehyɛ ye di gu ho ama Ghana mabunu ne Ghana ma ye ho atɔ ye ho aheha ye entrepreneurship
say license exams abanatwam
oh eno na me find say ni ntwamu no those omo di omo twamu no omo wo some section na omo betwere je Saturday way
okay
eno na ye previous government no na arrangement until they forced to be the final batch and license ya otrans dwene ho awonte ase adenti na nurse ni wie school a onko twere license exams for nursing a certificate say license certificate as a nurse a teacher need here onu wie school ma me national service obi timi wie school with first class no akwa twere license exams just matter of 2 weeks sitting no na license exams no ama na hunu say the first class within 4 years and what me obtain no sabi ehun nim faso wantwa. This was the kind of leadership you people were leading. Anamodi ebo ye krono nti license exams ukoye registration say iska ni nyina mu no na mo de bo Ghana youth Ghana mabunu krono abra ni ehun baby a ye de ye hun krampo hye enti I would say special prosecutor upon this case ye perfect play say ne investigations ne niam wakada so ogidi say eno ane no kre eni ye betimi dia win this case waji sika ne dia mo man na we want a fair play in this.
Okay. Dennis, kakraka.
Yeah. Na Mama can say lancet exams, let me tackle on that. Now, you see, as a teacher, biano, kwasibonika baby say education is the passport to the future. So every teacher be about on my mubiano, and you say a be a wabon. You are different between education and school. And only you soon interchangeable, but difference e mupa. School we are talking about the certificate, so bekono kwakunya. But in terms of education, broad. That's the main reason why I can say you say we are educational, meaning if you educate, you need to solve societal issues. It is a ABA cultural and social exams here. Abana and Kasebia teaching in Wabongo. What can was it teaching in your first class? No cultural and social exams, no fairly. That means any panel ABA or course school no. What's your school dear? A puppy to me pian while you to get a first class. That mean you see a certificate. Hey, let me talk. Who can my mama fro? Or be it you see certificate to measure intelligence of a person. So what for be a juma? That's the main reason why you interview. You share certificate in equal. We do interview who say okay. And you no cross first class now we are no. And you dear, then you can work here. A juma na baba you we parts out the baba a juma nimo. So obitual and such exams here. Abana and kase bia one channel no enfelio. When you say teaching, you are being a professional. Who can because we you to build a nation. School near our budget. We na wo buano emani bibia because school ni eco fee. None near be HNR, not the teacher ni back. I don't know GDO. I don't know the teacher ni back was school mubiano, and you no credit at the mano. It is the objection Nakodan was school. I don't know what the buy fee. And the numeracy and the literate die I am a trono, Lancetiano. And yet, you be a baker say, okay, say teacher, if you are well practical, you can able to pass the exams in Kovo Benancho or Pass here. Yeah, no crowd to check. Last session, very important when you go to abroad. So, who abroad, not the Ukra and session exams certificate. Now we a teacher near. Very important for you over there. But a hana ye who how when use for so always be a yakasabian we talk against it. Minya can be no can be agenda 1 MPP4. Ye dream be a agenda longevity. Let me say because what dream be I was so making sure say I didn't know in the near future ever fast for Eddie amount. In the West North region. Sorry to say be and this is for more and out to be catch and say. Sebi what day abokrasi won out the NDC fact eguni komwa they will vote for NDC. It is suddenly by NDC for the in the Western North region apart from lawless government already input to my Western region called input to eba seshi in NDC from Professor Vivafi Atamis to Essential John Domani Mahama 8 good years. Chemi one project are on the Western North region. And people you better 8 years yo. Ye nya hwekura drone zipline e wo ho no. Eye 4 pe and e wo man kokoro Ghana eso. How many regions we have? 16. Eso emu baako e wo sehwia a wo kɔ abobo ya road ebisi wo aye so pra inro e de ekɔ eye Ashanti region na ebi wo ha. STEM school e ba aye. Eye 4 pe o. Ena wo man mu eso 4 no baako e wo West of region ko awaso ebi e wo ho agenda 111 na ye de ba ye no se wo ko se hwi asan so ha ya ko hwe completed hospital esi wo asisi no
na mpacho asan so hospital na agenda 111
oh da na make say ye project like a part of the hospital ye project ne ho
but eno na nya
okay welcome you what e ka ye project ne ho e bi na esi ho no ya hwekura no yesisi buildings akaide ba be factories e wo mamu so ko futa build ba ko si ho akaide ba be cocoa processing factory ebi e wo futa afisi am no e kasa no so wo free intention so to abo ndua ba ko esi ho APP for ya hwekura e wo mamu ya masahwi
intention so ko abo ni dua
yesi build ba ko si ho
building ne ya
factory ba ko si ho
factory ben ya
but enya ye ko si wo de ko afaka ko
factory ben what's a factory?
Sugar factory. Oh no, cry. You be sugar factory is but you feel about me no some better to dey isi wo.
Edan be na okay.
Oh, from 10 to dey kwa, wo dey obehu. To abon
dia. Edan na omo dey breaks iron na.
Oh, from 10 to abon dia e wo ho.
Oh no. I just want to be okay. Oh, na ECG for that na. Na me ntra me so. Me person bisa no.
It's a project na ya.
I don't know omo dey ma ECG for na say ECG for.
We dey ma ECG for it's part of our project.
Oh no, I am asking. I want to be emphatic.
I don't know omo dey ma ECG. And it make us say e building.
And this building na ya agenda wa.
Yeah, na your project ya dey ba be factory.
Oh okay. And omo dey ma ECG.
Yes, and your project ya ba be factory.
Okay.
Yenya hwekura ya message ade no as a west no and ya ti original coordinating council hwe ewo ho mo ba
ewo soro
hwe RCC ya esi hui eti yenya hwekura no John Domani Mahama ba no promise ena beye kwan me beye kwan hwe asampa na ye to DBC road says na kokura na enye
oso beye asempa na ye debiso
asempa na ye
SS and so my
enya make say ya ba mu na ye
ba o mi akwan no
yes ya ba mu na ye
mafaso da
Adolfo road to anche to Erubo wa promise ni dada and I want me aye na guzo wa saba promise ni biem no so aban we ya wa ban no aban ya ye engine ni ba ku sei say you live in better tax or no I don't can say Ghana ye to money mu a eni kwa say ye de taxes eto omane so net mabufo ho kire omo ye ba na omo yi levy de fro and de ba ye di levy me bo ana
detail
ye omo can say covid tax o metwam covid tax ye twam ana edum na bia ho Ghana na ye ti no ascend this 4% ye nti omani mu bia na in 7 months in government and this 40 me trap block back we say to was cement back from mutimi nto ye bi
Western North
yes Ghana fan no mutimi trap cement ba mutimi trap block back kran to ho
okay
it's 7 months so na na de ni sia konwa no so no 2016 aye to about 2017 6 months 133 SHS policy
Nancy Mahama so started.
Oh, that policy ben I started. Policy ben. Ya lunch bibia ya started. Okay.
So okay say ya lunch bibia ya started. Stress free. So Mahama free ase. Wa lunch we free ase. Ana o free ase.
We free ase.
Say no see policy.
Oh, the kasa.
Say no see policy. Nti yam fa no one no. Okay, so I won't go further.
It we don't go further.
Say we say one.
Yes. 24-hour economy no mo kasa on be ye no. Omo lunch ye no. Up to date 24 so we be kwa no pa e be kwa awia. But nipa mu o man mu over 40,000 workers here saki omo. So is it part of the reset agenda? Omana yadum ye ina ye omamba o. The American say Ghana problem is not about inflation. Ghana problem is about jobs. And then I meet you pano. You are talking about Galamsey Yabeba because I can't topic. Yeah, and then I meet you pano. It's all about Galamsey issues no. Shako for a woo Galamsey but it's Timamu for mano. Ne banner real school on your Juma and to still beko. If there's our jobs ever my moi, I can be able to keep Rex and Galamsey.
Okay. That's the name of that. Oliver, Abia also work a crabia. Pay you move on.
Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Me Brian, I don't know. So why you confused when you might be home?
That be on your confused.
Since the entire America no.
Because once our kind and also
electricity company for 80 years pay ya. Omo be di ne ho ya opa.
Anything I'm person me certain. Because that building no
electricity company. Omo dine no more de beye ashede which is sugar
factory.
Anything that make us so buti ya no pay omo be di ne ho ya opa.
Because na person me certain. Because sad dine no agenda 111 and now say ECG Franca na AC one more dine.
Anything that make us omo be di this project started not today. It started not today. And to talk of Western North in general, any puntu the political, I don't know. But I'm PP. Ombisano Jose. Omampehini kufo obedi Ghana so for 8 years. Obedi Ghana so for 8 years. Na eba oman bia de ye hwe ne kese aye de ball man ho bra ye kese ne education. Oba Western North ha. The whole of Western of Unyana, there wasn't just one school. Just one. MPP or Mabayemu or my penny kufu baby try no musi. Or my penny kufu aduna bayemu. Apart from STEM. The whole of Western of apart from STEM. And no one no. Liberty but FM. I can boldly tell you since 92 to Mills. And I said this year, ye baba no. Uyi school be to say was. Uyi draboso. Na uyi bibi ni bisek. Edi free wa. A contombra and this in the buy. Bekwai sabes and this in the buy. Body and this in the buy. Me who school sectek and this in the buy. A try ya who mia. It was not established by NDC government. Ubedia deserve in your government hospital where you see where in Crampon and this in the year. In the 90s. And to better how no pay. I don't know how you did your search. Now, I ask you be too for Ghana for a year. You go back and come again. Niama fundamentals and Niama yaje ewa Western North. Emuna na ya Western region in general. Enya Niama ketwa. To talk of even Junase, the location and establishment of Junase Market was fully funded by NDC government. And to better ha, so about be too regu Ghana for any year. How do you take Ghanaians for? Na o can what was zip line? Nanka me cut ye and I say me pet ye so be cut to us. Says zip line pon me ba ye hu ye na eye aban ni project. Zip line eye private entity adwuma Ghana buy momo buy ye no mo ba be block ade agu ho mantimi antu ya zip line fo mpoka zip line mantimi antu omoka ama kamene omo in it take it say ya ye adwuma de ama buy na wasa buy ni tu omoka nkrampo no ye pebosia de atua You are here to talk of zip line say oh my pehini baye eya maako 4 enti mo de baako aba fine baako na mo de aba no problem but eya adwuma e de ama aban no and I say eya adwuma as a private institution Minia there are things eya me kan watere e metena han kan watere hwe unemployment ana oka I don't know say you check your factor. Before say 2016, ye free Mahama offer kunya so unemployment rate. And na wo my name. Neither 8%. 8% oh. Asat ena ye kesei. And I say 2024 mu free Ghana agwaman so. Mu free Ghana kunya so no. Na jump free ho ako 15%. How many percentage increase? Percentage increment no eya dodo saying. Now when I was somebody about better unemployment so no. But no wonder. Some mutimi a cookie free SHS and kwada most of my form within stretch of 8 years. Moba bedada yes ma fan kwada mako 5.3 million. Na edu transition team yes sa abano education minister best stand no can say no boa o na omo ye 3.5 million. And so more use 5.3 million abon mine chrono for within that entire stretch. Ni nyinanti education minister why any budget omo ya budget for 5.3 million no. Just matter of transition team yes sa abai na yi no ansa no ba beka say 3.5 million. Into no wonder. Yeah where some mo din trofa figures mo nka no kore. Enu nso ntina Ghana fo de hwem animu a omoto aba editu mo. It is about time you people need to shut up, keep quiet. Na sa 4 year stretch na mo de amaye no. Ye hunu bia ye de Ghana e de fa. Ye ba Ghana konya so ndreti he ya. CD to dollar rate as to me the compare cocoa mpo last year emna no mo di cocoa price and deba. They were pegging the CD for 16 cities. I don't know what the year cocoa sector adjustment na de buy. And ye kaza this year CD to dollar rate at that 10 cedis 34 pesos. Obisa say wa hifa. Dollar ni mo munya bi. Ma mi tro di enti a dollar no na munya bi. All because Ghana ha yenim said the only place to get a dollar and your central bank of Ghana. Apart from Bank of Ghana no. But more time mut mi eto dollar no ma hoje di ama Golo boys. Di enti o mu complaining na oko Golo boy no hwe bi ni ho. Ene okọ enkran okọ takrade ukọ kumase Golo boy na wogina kwan na no na first na omo obaban no omo dollars no mu gina omo di gina kwan na no omo nya bi. Enti ye no eno mo di put stress on the government say abaning float dollar ningum no munya bi informa Golo boys is omo nkoton. But the central bank, which is the Bank of Ghana, ono knows okra dollars uye banka. You go to the Bank of Ghana say ebia me wa me customers bia they trade in dollars into me per dollar do say e dia mom for them to do their trade. That be wako ho. That be put here
Oliver.
Wako ho.
First you mama. Me da say.
Eti won ko ho a emetra ha metu fitrongo Ghana.
Oliver Kwasi Nyakon regional communication team member Emma NDC. Enkatia Destiny nso ewa ha for the MPP ono so regional communication team member. Me da omo nyina ase. Mama nyina ha na me ho na me bra yato aso.
FPAC ye dropa anu enama esetipa ye flu cold edi kata ho yaw. FPAC tutu yawa efiri minimu kura abrofo friend no sore throat no. FPAC jojo honam mu yaw nso. Na se wo ye adwumaden so na wo tutu a FPAC ma wo ho dwo wo fom. Sara na wono a epe sports akansi ahoro ni mriketu nso no se wo honam dua no ye wo ya FPAC rewura wapo mu koma yaw no eye dini. FPAC kutia free richness. FPAC jojo ahohye a ebata fever ne malaria ho no. Saa nso na FPAC ekutia sasabro mu yaw na wo honam ayebosa no FPAC so ma wo ho sepew. Ubenya FPAC wo pharmacy shops any chemical seller shops ahodo wo man mu baabia.
FPAC yebusua duro ma wona wadi mfie dunsia ne akire.
asthma ne ulcer yarefo apemfo ene ma wo ma o manufo de ensese wo fa F-pack se wo fa F-pack nanu na wo ho anto wa ko hu doctor.
F-pack blows your pain away.
Why you crowd say who benya wo chefa every 10 million a chedie no mu ana? Become Betway scratch and winner. A free 19 June ekosi 30th July. Where there bet bia wo bebo casino games no mu. Wo benya wo scratch card na we be ma wo kwan am winya a chedie hodro bebre. Kai say card bia wo nya no. E be ma wo kwan am we hu a chedie akese a wo benya no. Beka hu say ya ewo www.betway.com.gh. Gaming Commission of Ghana and Sasha sie. Woni ifie no twea enko hu. Betway bet wow, Christ.
Rooftop Creations and Bridals. Yes, your Rooftop Creations and Bridals. Abana de pam dia, no challenger or your best and finest designer in town. Na okitabudi kratabe bre. Ye free swapomu university certificate. E dia dance professor. Wati ajuma oyase na wache hu nimdie papa. Sauba ana obi a wawie JHS, SHS na ope babi asua ade pam. Munyina mumfamani enche Rooftop Creations and Bridals aso yesisia. Odo be fa ntitie mu a, uwie nso a, obenya TVET ana NVTI certificate. Ye dia dance professor. Wosia ade afri babi pa. Dodo na ena dia dance se. Rooftop Creations and Bridals die. Ukoni nchen ekosua ade a, ode fa entitie pam. Esan se discipline aya ne hallmark. Uwie nso a, waboa apon ho asan so aboa ama wahye wadwuma ase. Nipa pi ena afa ni nsem a, wonu nyina nso edia dance pai. Rooftop Creations and Bridals in some year fair. Sa wo wedding, engagement, birthday party ana aputu dwumadie bia de. Eho enta de ne de. Rooftop Creations and Bridals in and a pam ediama. Rooftop Creations and Bridals no. Ubenya adepamu akade bia ato. Hostel facility available. Ubenya babia da e bra ufi achire eba. Rooftop Creations and Bridals say hwehwenati kwan e wasahwi so. Cape Town. Your friend Rooftop Creations and Bridals e 0246 267483 and afi 0543 428491. Rooftop Creations and Bridals dear or your one and only fashion designer in town.
AC bra na one pa na o complain say siatika e hawi ena na wagina wona so sa no
ofa ma bre papa meto asentini etimi twimi say tan yale yale bone Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam ena agime sa no
sir Dr. Kodivu Abam eni ti siatika nko na esa na
ofa me kame kira wanya siatika nko minua be me ya no wa kire he ya na stroke achini ya wakadamu Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam ya na medi ho adanse e kire no wo di twitwi ne ho ade e kire di twi no ne ho ato no say fom wasole na etumi stomach ulcer papa ene honam yaw na oba ne nsabuo mayie wo hia Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam ya ebeba kama ama ne ba ya sipi asita adwani ti ye kokko ena ne to ane ye fita
ene na Dr. Kodivu Abam eyadupau na menye bi atowen
wo pe bi atu akoton a fa wani kire kumase mamponten ena wo pe bi ato wo sewi ha so a afa kisi heba Philomena Fosia chemical Esther Ata chemical Opana drugstore Leman krom ena chemical ne heba shop bia ti atese na obetimi afre number 0246 33 6509 Dr. Kankwe Dr. Kodivu Abam and papa
problem there. Me catch ya say Ranking Collections ni the leading boutique in Western Offer. Now di machinye ne suruma prowa wona na ka asem kirewa nkobi sa maame Ranking Collections why say prekasa no yiri free nkwanma nkwana nye de mema hu nyoma de fi wutiri so enkosi wo na ase ye ton mema hu nyoma nyina bi beti say I check shoes quality jeans and knickers slippers boxes watches store set half shoe and a full belts bola tops and mema ni man nyina she boxer and mema ye de say ye ho no ni nyina bi wo Ranking Collections ni nyoma yi ayo original quality caboose beti say Nike Air Force Jordan wafo bika ho mema hu nyoma nyina bi wo wo pentade ade be ko office wo be ko nkwanko wadwuma bia Ranking Collections zabwa sebema wo for wedding engagement birthday party asori hu nyoma nyina wo Ranking Collections to mema hu nyoma nkoa Ranking Collections ho asema me kan sa hwidwase station GPR to you amabro sign no nzaro station ho no ne second floor Ranking Collections ewo ho ana sa hwi oso dwase team woni dwase ahifie no ana boso pe fresa wo matru for we 0544 461440 Ranking Collections buy quality pay less.
Liberty FM
Mamensan Emao Akwaba, Anapai Mene Oliver Kwasi Nyako, Ena Ewaha Oye, member of the NDC communication team, region, Ena Mene Eye Nkatia Destiny Nzozo Ewaha, Onozi a member of the MPP regional communication team. Yensan Entua Yenseminoso. Dr. Tony Edu, Oye former senior presidential aide and head of the policy and oversight unit under the late President John Evans Atamel's government. Now, he has issued a stern warning to the current government, NDC administration led by John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana, to address illegal mining urgently or face possible electoral defeat in 2028. Speaking in an interview on Joy News yesterday, Dr. Tony Edu emphasized that Ghanaians would not tolerate inaction or campaign promise, particularly on the fight against Galamsey, which continues to destroy farmlands, pollute water bodies, and threaten livelihoods across the country. He says, and I quote, if the goodwill that the people of Ghana gave the NDC is going to be dissipated, it will be due to inaction on Galamsey and corruption issues. If the government is unable to solve the Galamsey issue, I will be disappointed because it was an electoral promise and you cannot take Ghanaians for granted, unquote. Oliver, Dr. Tony Edu, he is of the view that 6 months into government, the government must do everything possible to end Galamsey.
Well, me sada wase. So sama misa kwenyano. Well, Dr. Buahin Edu, moreover, no, met me aka said the key personalities are about a manual sem and a sencro Liberty FM a com. And based on what he's saying, I won't sit here to endoubt or no say a bia de wakano. In this was a waka. It was a waka. And NDC as a government. On my Pehini Mahamadano, no, yeah, listening government. And see, we take into consideration of whomever comes out to share an opinion on a state issue. But Galamsey no Adeakyia no. Always be very ready. Make say Adeakyia obi di 8 years. Bonia obi di 8 years di. Na obi aba to correct the wrongs in matter of 7 months and I say 6 months. No, ideally, every logic Ghanaian would bear with me. Say enye easy. Na utie papa na sema o yusu word bi o say if say o mampani Mahama want me antutu anamon papa bi ama yampe bibi enfansi ano kwan a obey disappointed inti all can within the entire stretch of Mahama in government for 4 years, but o yusu the first 6 months assessment and what they can say. Kayaso, just imagine say BECHEM, not just matter of 2018. Yakwakwa yama mara. Say yan forester yen didim. Apart from timber, ye travel muno and timber nimpono. Wana omo won krata and omo concession so mundi dimo no. Apart from those activities no 2018 yet minya omampehini bi all because omone Professor Frimpong Boateng atanase afa adwene koro bi se ya didi asase nani into small scale mining enya ne baaye past government no omu didi asase nani no munye deep mining nti ya didi asase nani ahunu se agudie na wa asase nani no sisi a yenya biem nti yempe kwan a yebefa so a yebewura asase nim na yenso yebeye deep mining but unkura kyara anofo equipments a wode ye enso wabronti wo se wo beye nti one professor Frimpong Boate mo kwa adwene kromu wie ye no eno mu gina asa ne yenya mara na emara na timyama ye kwan ama ya bawura ye forest dim se yembumu nu yangu virgin forest a yenko muda no eni ensu ewo mu no yensai no and omutimi ye mena wei mane by 2018 and from 2018 eno mu gina em se omu pesika e dia ba be ye campaign for 2020 eyame na mekai Central Regional Chairman MPP emra omu pa muka no mudi omu bone na omu to ebedadi no omu ankasa ena na no muti radio so na omu yiyi omu to ekwosi omu eno mu gina mu a no mudi hu adanse ye se yem pesika na yem fa sponsor ye party no for 2020 general elections abanya wa ba mu no matter of 2 years no ondwene Ghana fo ho eno ne aban na MPP fo jade ma ye no na obi ti se untumi wetimi ama untumi krata as a large scale miner kaya so minim se make a large scale miner no unim baby a me refer to a large scale miner ti se Angurugo da Asante large scale miner ti se Chira no mines for na o de sakrata no dia ma wuntumi abra before say ye be ma large scale mine contract even not on local or within the international contract no omo inspectors omo inspect machines your tools and equipments to see say you are credible for that project obobre like ejina ye say adwuma no betimi aye but enam aban bone ene dwena o manjiri Ghana fo hunti no all these things were not considered omutimi the large scale mining no certificate di mawun to me say je kofa koye mining and dia ba di ne ye hu yi untumi timeje concession no akofa ye nuanu mo China fo yi nipa be ye 20 obia ne team no mo se forest nim and minim se wako forest akwa hu the way they mind ma China ni okra excavators 2 mano just matter of 2 days na man 1 acre of land na hwade kwan yo be first wa funtam na 2 days ni ponenso me di chira the kind of stretcher almost say Ghana sase no forest no almost say na kodo yes ye no na ye quantify no into park size park tesanka Griston Park yakika dia bomu no yakika boma almost 5,000 square shape te say park eni ya say no enti obi di 8 years abedi boni we ewe ye forest zones no 8 years odi abedi sa boni we minu ye pay ubet me the just 6 months to assess and combat all these things say me kagu amana ye the answer is no.
Okay,
I will sit here and say it factical. The answer is no.
Okay, if the answer is no,
on no grounds no na yeba measures enti on no what are the measures way forward that is it yeba measures are yehu yenkrampo no yahunu enkrofo ya train omo green water ayifo ya sisi a omo no mo hwe abobo yensu ho ban yehu omo measures ni bi ebiem and is yet to be implemented onim say on small scale mining no yetimi e mine without the involvement of water and so wunya gold no without the involvement of water but wunya gold no and we a new approach and it has been introduced by Sabi Jamfi the board which is the good board kwan a ye be fa so just matter of some time to come menu ye pay ye de na to that section under lands commission engineer me engineer ya dabi de ofri bo akonyi ya no am no di ni birthday but
minimum no
ono no mo de na to sa section na no o de beto o ye flyer de beto ye yi so say just matter of some time to come kwan yo mo be fa so na wona won kura nkrata enti small scale ukra krata wo concessioner abayin si wo kwan but they make sure say bia o mine no ebensu ya you move almost about 30 meters away and so now obey your mining na why your mining no and there will be proper supervision to check within your daily activities and see say ye ato ye ebiem dientia omugina so say excavators are omudi aba mine mu no excavators no dodo ebro they use e wo mine the excavators ni nyina omode bad no omode koye eye galam say emu kakra bi no omode construction field e de koye akwan ne ho ade enkaye ni nyina ko galam say aban na twa to ho and just matter of 28 this month and the deadline self-owned excavator biano
next month
or this month
August
good self-owned excavator bia so one kasa wo excavator so wo ye den aban ni se be register na fashion nsa na ohunu se wo excavator ni and yetimi eka ni nyina bom na wana e waso yema won krata mo field ekoya mine ni wia they shall install in trackers into tracker no it will be coded o catchment area na ye de bema wo no se wo kwa mine no it will be captured on the tracker and within your territory nim move away from your territory nim a excavator na nkasa be stop it.
Okay.
And these are some of the proceedings measures. But people never think of these measures.
Yeah, first you mommy.
And no naka ho na your forest na say no. Ade ba ko ya me ya. Kaya so mami farmer no nsi. Uni ma ba ko ya me ya. Omudidi forest ni mu wie ye no. Omudidi mu wie ye no. Just 2024 September. Ena omusa de emna fifro ko parliament. Sa forest no si de omasi adidi mu no ene mmara na omo hyehyeye no ankamwa enti omosa akwaye mmara foforo e de abandon forest ni mu nkoye no. You see how the MPP government could be as wicked as expected.
I don't think I'm going to be galam say.
Oh, that be me chira boni no mu bedi ye no. Any adwen foforo ye den esabo omutimo no. Enti they should give us time and space.
Thank you.
And let's deal with it.
Me that say.
Kayaso.
Yeah, that's the
as a leader, you're supposed to have ability to solve problem. Leader, want to mean solve problem. Actually, no. Or man, yeah, they show on Saturday, away, be a win to me, and Dr. Tony Edu. And yes, say Abia, what been ever man, you say more Ghana. Or no, your friend, father of NDC. 1992 year driving constitution in no. No, you remember. Not also a director of researcher. The man NDC government. Eti Tony Edu no. Onu wanim NDC amamoni kurache mini ano ati hanu. Da be na buy. Tony Edu ni amamoni mu. And what me ahuni say 6 months in government from Esese John Dwayne Mahama. On jinini. But what me can clear. Say yes, he fati against Galamsa. NDC for an mama Galam say yetimi to us you. Kayaso. The other day kwa mimi sunye. Say president biaba no say. Or the presidency air to on the line to fight against Galamsey. Na ye nuane mu timi ekwa Galamsey grounds e conduct press conference e wo ho. Say ye de ye ba mo ye sa adwuma no. Look at voter MPP Lucy ye e Galamsey site. Mi sunye. Say enye free SHS adaroma. aka 2020 election MPP and me winning. Owura ne fati against Galamsey. Emma Clofone na Galamsey grounds etu sika de Galamsey fo. Se mo de moto aba ne mayen. Yetimi antu Galamsey na afi. And the Galamsey no akwoso in such a way say it is alleged that Deputy National Organizer Adima NDC involved in Galamsey.
Yes, more investigate you.
It is alleged. Third vice chairman NDC so I can be. That's the main reason why Attorney General and more. Among person, ye party member nintino. Among person say because it is open.
But
they will say they are doing investigation.
That issue, the person who came out with that write-up, my friend, na obia o chantru biano, or the who etite. Untumi emfa asem entu obi so abrawo wonni proof. And me eda me te say omo investigate sasa no bibisa me say omo investigate akwakosi say because nipa na or allege yet even number or the two honum for that no crampo no enye correct
me
pacho kasa
kayasu
yes sir
Galamsey no ye free abam time say ye free abam 2025
yes sir
Galamsey no say gusu course
sure
me ametia no am yetimamuni no kayasu mitimi enko say bia okay you also forest me kodi Galamsey. If you don't have a power untimi nko so kodi Galamsey timamu for yom no mudi Galamsey no. And even it is alleged, it is alleged, from a Jubri house to police station executive from where NDC phony now, they are involved in Galamsey. And Obia with him. That's the main reason why maybe a buy a channel for by can't say Galamsey and Kofa, we shouldn't blame them, but we should blame our own people. Because the one more quiet, I'm going to make Galamsey where my way move. I'm saying you and quada. I always say, be a make a say gun and niba. Because Omana Yatim is no. Say, yeah, the politics ekataka yeni. Say, where you may crawl for where you me, many dia. And I don't pay, they're not equals ni na, our honey, and I'm a monitor show no. In fact, Nami monitor show no come ba. And I don't know, man not buy me nimni dindia, but my meeting enchant when they can say or drink or man. But every be a becker sebia or be involving Galamsey no say in Crawford attack no. Ye say in Fiono, and ye Galamsey no at me abba, Amasino, Jadia for beef at me abo maimu. Chemicals. It is a seal no say to me and two so crana a so to me to so about it. Na sebia unisika, at least I won't way from you mebuana. And also na chemicals here kugumuno. And no ena ekile bebre ewa maimu imuno. So obeka sebia 6 months in government. Utimi eyemu na mo kan se mo ba ya mo ba be declare state of emergency. Sami Jeff na beka na Asempa FM. 6 months in government no mo je akatuana. They pay you. Every government appointees be or buy ye be an educator in 6 months in government. I don't know one can say 6 months in government ye educator. Oh maimu. We will never give anybody time on Galamsey issues. Ye say omo betimi afati against Galamsey to declare the state of emergency. She niema ekukwa for Galamsey sites. What me tibi na uraho. E to be obeti be tutu no dia boni nua. Meanwhile, no, same phone if you don't have a power, say mo timi ammo mo kwan, ammo mo timi anya. Omo timi enye Galamsey no. And the course ever your previous government mu no. A the opposition no. Mo kwan mo ye the west. Ewo maimu. Eda edipefe. It ni pa bia da am ka say, ye ni ma bi ho ye fa anye politics. A bit is a price of cocoa, ye fa anye politics. Obi timi makuko kwa for 3,100. What say I was say kuko no na was say ka 7,000. We are here waiting for you people. Say kwa for bia bet 7,000. One for mom kwada 6,500. Yeti woni ma bi wo issue so a fighting against Gamsin and the sentiment for in I fight, ye find your politics. As for what your politics say, and people before air to Gram say, share walk can be her or manner yet Timuno. Black voter, concessionaire buyer, your family Ibrahim Mahama.
I want some Kayan Korea, yes.
I want a buyer dear mano, Kayasu.
But the said you will be dear.
And you're pit by a dear mano.
And now on no say. Or talk. And what could you encoy? And when some kind I agree. But Encoy,
Baby, I did or the Bemano.
But it's so diseffort.
Girl, won't you know Indian? Can't so to know again any.
Pacho.
But I can't say. What said your mamma can't say a dumra I was a Ghana for no Yankasano money a yin Yankasa when company.
But you and I were here and at 2022. Sammy Jinapo. I be catch them no me say one more Emma won't to me license to operate. Anna.
Yeah.
So Obia man no license to operate. And it Obia or license to our license when
no man and make I say
I contaminate and yeah man a license to operate.
Oh that be tea.
Yeah man a license to operate. And there's a only license to operator. And you are operating illegally.
That it's not bad say be and make us it's not bad say I can
when Ibrahim Mahama Sima walking our license to operate. And I didn't all quaco operating. You be dear. Nipa no ewo a kwan so to me who be and no air quaco to operate. What is wrong?
That is not wrong. But in Libya, I am not make say ye de unanado de a Japan de one not for Japan di buy. We never be what obi di o man for what me in the busia mada.
And are you saying say because say Ibrahim yeah
that is boxer you know one Ibrahim Mahama lawyer na sheho Sami Jeffrey Ibrahim Mahama the boy
boxer to be
boxer Ibrahim Mahama the lawyer na no she boxer the concession no boxer you know no she
boxer to be
oh no my mo na sheho
I ain't for boxer na meba Eastern Cubic e ko ho a ya Jeffrey wo mo se ana and I assigned the amount.
Yes, send the amount back. No lawyer in the show. Oh,
the ben on the
no, yeah, sorry, research. No,
because
oh,
because my name say Eastern Cubic, and I call, and MPP are buying by and 1 TS. And now MPP are buying by still Ojemo di man.
Answer your Jemu di mano. We
just Ojemo di man as when Jem.
Sisia no na sheho sisia me no kasa ne lawyer wo dey check it.
Ne lawyer shehe.
Ano sheho.
O shehe.
Eti ano no dey ano no sheho the lawyer no na shebo set ayi ho. Eti ono omo manage o man no dey afa.
Dabi if you say the lawyer na she box site ayi ho na menti ase. Say the lawyer na Mahama apa no so nkonko hwe ho ana Ghana box site so.
Yes.
Indeed that has not mean say Ibrahim.
Oh, I say Ibrahim Mahama ne lawyer.
But anya Ibrahim dia.
Oh, that's it. Ibrahim Mahama ne lawyer.
But anya Ibrahim Mahama dia.
Oh, that be anya ne dia.
Yes.
But Ibrahim Mahama ne lawyer. Me
the lawyer working as a government official doesn't mean say box site no. Ibrahim.
It na Gabi dia no mo kan.
Gabi ni dey.
Gabi wa chida akon dia no.
Ne dey no mo kan.
So mo si na do family friends. The only one want it.
Na what I'm asking, you're not getting my point. Family and friends, me no problem. Ibrahim Mahama, ne lawyer, adwuma, Emma Abayno, say ono ena ehwe Ghana box site so no problem. But you made it look as if you say Abayno at the box site ewo man mu dama Ibrahim.
Oh, that be
good. I'm person we establishing.
Me can say. Ibrahim Mahama the lawyer and they say no abandon Abia.
But that does not mean say Ibrahim na head that.
Sami Jeffrey will go board. Only Ibrahim Mahama the boy.
But what is wrong with that?
It's not wrong. It is a obvious war maimu. Nas and I'm because bibi wa find your politics. But this phone on your politics. What does any phone on your politics? Say Gabi watch da kuna na do man position bi.
Gabi wa nya position.
Wa nya position but no ye ayi.
Wa nya position wa na do aban. Gabi anya position.
Wa nya position.
Gabi.
But I didn't know this for so musena wa ye say na na do ye abusia. See ye woni ma bi wa ye find your politics for maimu. Ibrahim Mahama e Ghana ni. Iti aka Ghana ni kura no se ye de o manja pade bi maro na se wo ye de abo ma na kaya so akanyana but ni maybe one near the abaya politics near the year when near the way and I make us say I don't know fata eti unia the amaya and this of you say see no yanju omuni e wa bai mu niam mo promise ya no edumna bi kura mo ka say ombema aka de kumase abaya cleaner city enso kolola nkofo kura chi omo 150 na 32 years in governor bi sida e wa mamu bi am
wana ka say akra kumase bai
Mahama na promise ye
we are sure
yes on a promise ye
wujidi
yes Mahama na promise from 2012 to 2023 aka de kumase bai cleaner city
the cleaner city
yes
nanado na kan ye
oh da bai nanado Mahama na ye kan ye Mahama na kan ye
opa google na
Mahama na kan ye Mahama na kan ye Mahama na kan ye
no
Mahama na kan ye
o kan da ben
Mahama na kan ye from 2012 to 2016 Mahama na promise say kubase ni akabe kinesi
nanado na kan ye
wase asko na chin crofo kwa na enye yi
dabi nanado na kan ye nanado na
kan etadum na bia kan so
nanado kan sasa anche na covid ba
o mana yetim o mana yetim sese ebre no kan so dollar ba
ho no pesa o sesan wa no Mahama
dollar ba o dabi kan so dollar ba for ba ye watch ye Mahama kan bi
da ben
Mahama kan bi abra kolora ne ba ye no
cholera
na so ma fo aku mo na ye yizi o se be ma na ye cleaner city 150 2012 to 2016
but Mahama ankasa I never heard
what is it never see that
to sign I never heard Mahama
what I say what I will do the research and give it to you
nanado na kan
I will do the research and give it to you
it's been established
what is it council media abana wa ba no akaye jiridi ye o but Mahama ni previous administration no niemo ye no amachidie bia ni mu
okay
can promise say wa dane bo sheba
okay
ela wo hyehyɛ bɔ bebre okokumase okɔ promise so am magazine full eso okokumase won say o ka so be wenti wan ko wenti mi akɔ because the previous government promises for me magazine full
but nanado the promises
project ya ewo man mu ni sese be me say aka me essence John Dwani Mahama aka me ye dia Jimmy D because projects be what they are ongoing.
Thank you
to afu keke
thank you
eno ne idea on timi ye
thank you and I remember sidam fama Dawood herbal products womo Dawood 360 abadwa so say osisi ye oya rheumatism ha fatu ase enye ma apemfo mofra womo enya mfie edumienu oba o ma abofra so no so wonum bia enye ye yewo Dawood ointment and general bodily pains rheumatism no waist pains ye de betu ase Saran so ena yewo Dawood herbal mixture for malaria, loss of appetite, ulcer. Enti ni American for edema anopen no obe combine both for quick relief. Adroi abuso ewo bia yeton adro bia. Obetimi afre Dawood for ewo 0244 385437 and 0201 681717. Womo ewo Dawood Hospital so ewo asanwe so edwetumi akọ akọhwe woni padua no wade ho afri nyarwa ensem dada nyina me de meka jabsa bofra no ade ba akopɛ ɛna obetumi de jana obi entumi enje emfri nsem ɛno ne sɛ ɔde nwoma ebewura bofra ne tirim na ɔde nwoma so bewura bofra ne tirim ɛno ene Smart Effort College so say just be smart and we will put in our effort womo remedial school honom ade ama obi opese otro remedial exams na so wasi as a registration no koso enti remedial classes na so koso for candidates who want to write the wasi ana novdek enti for who HMB yes vacation classes na so no koso ade ama SHS students general science, general arts, agricultural science, business, home economics, visual arts, and technical subjects. No much training na. School yi accessory abofra ba ni ace and the bees dey assured. One more accommodation facility honma. Yadema or mom free a bench or school modern. Saran so one more basic school crèche from 1 year kokosi class 4. The Montessori standard education natural dia or modern ICT tools ni na ema de chance nika school no bus a form of run every field or moko school no free school muso do ma be fie obehunu Smart Effort College so micro enka no bia na Grace Preparatory School no first school mpani fo na ginchire mo bibia a kire wadwe no 0245 191829 and 0545 532976. Smart Effort College there. Yes, my friend Dachino, and who here ye pa. Say, I'm no air casade. Yes, say, Betway, scratch and win promo no air coso. Near here, na say over call a obo porta no so. Na also the who aqua question with me, I 9 million Ghana cedis. And no, a range from cash, free spins, free flight, and more. Nina eguho. A free air on the 1st of this month, and I'm free as a term could see air July 31st, 2025. But I will say, how do I take part? Simply log in to betway.com. Now, also, don't question be bet on sports, and air casino. Na unsabeka o daily scratch card abribia. Just scratch, match, and win. With every day being another chance to strike it lucky. Kai say, Jumedi Ekoso only on betway.com.gh. Remember, terms and conditions apply. Gaming Commission of Ghana and a regulatory. Bet responsibly. Betway, yes, a getway more. Kunlungana, Eddie Adruna Bajaso. Bema Wayamero on Passon to Maoba in Nani Angie Ewon Pamuno. A druba cope and American for the amount Mr. Kill. Oba also in Sufita Bitagu, a yan and cow actually, Sarabi or Kusio Kumayana so eke cow, Ubu unsa influi, Uti yaw ewechri, whatever Mazudia Wati yaw household a Araba Bazen tablets. Kunlu Ghana for Anna Ediaba, Abuzu ever be a 2 drubia. It is Yamino Eka say, Fred 0504. 906-665 and 0545-906-665. Ye kwako didi na ye kwako didi ye de ni echirem ewo Zuva Bar and Lounge. Honum ena anije ni nyina ewo. Ena ye Friday atemu akosi zade BECHEM. Enti yanko Zuva Bar and Lounge. Yewo Zuva Shawarma ewo honum. Na awiei abra abo 12 PM and 12 noon. Na yabie ya pron dia to na shawarma no aye ready etemu akosi aye no ndu oba onsabe count de ebo no eda from 30 cedis and 50 cedis o pese ye deliver emawa ye beye obeba hosa be fa ye beye ni nyina eno ana so be dial 0538 448140 ana 0555 150 798 obeka say Zuva Bar and Lounge womo ewo eye aboduam junction. Maybe no echo. There was story about what I was saying. But with the mesre, Oliver and Destiny so fancheme. The brenity. Yema a telephone so akonya kakra. Na womunsu emrem. Na ensema hodo Oliver and Ninia womu ediaguhe. Womunsu for modern tre. Emmabuaye. Ewahasi. Aha. Liberty 92.7 FM. Anapay. Ensemino enegu no nso wadwenkyere no ma mintie kakra wo edemaye nana pay ewo ejumedi eso wadwenkyere enania 0536304072 eno ena yedi edin komo ene anapay nti obetumi afre na nso waba ejumedi no be after this break.
Obo, me who ye? What's for Rudia so? Aday.
Ene de mewe yabo. Doctors menya hepatitis B.
Ene na wonti oh hine yire. Dr. Akosua dua ya. Wo power specialist herbal hospital nka. Eh, ye dia wo sanya bi nie. Wo je hepatitis. Ayere se ho award nko ankron. Na nsa bibidru fo kwa kansie. Wono na je hepatitis award. Wo je bi wo America ne UK abrochimem. Na aka so je ne kwa.
Sa
na fatty liver ho afra ye donton. Ebeko prostate se kompa ju ko maboso and all set it sewo se koto dwenwa ye goso kra. Fako power specialist herbal hospital. Oh we drankasa enye wenko a. Osa ye de hodo bi.
Oba unchira me ho se mebre.
Kumasi wo fe yes Lebosomji Road. Jasbro filling station opposite Engran. Kwabenya Pokuyasi SCP Kwantimpon so. Takrade Anaji Estate. Anaji MA Primary School. Janimu. Telephone 0244 544 422 0200 383831. WhatsApp 0555 797878. Power Specialist Herbal Hospital. Your dear last stop.
All right, you can call onto the phone lines 0536304072 0322296342. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Yes, Daniel Mamintio.
Wabo modern. Mamintia Oliver. Namintia million people, you know. Or Casa Yipa. Kayasu. In fact, I did a course woman, and yet, your gallant say, Yalwa at Yaba. And no quad idea swap. Machincha. Nathan Boka. Our Diabano. Kayaso, and I'm gallant side. And no Moody Lodu. Yes, sir. On my pay you running nation from as I say, what dance on the name of one take. Ukophobia, what power more you want to my year. Who do that, yes, what? Also, the Hirakraho. If you are banning Kikano, so that when Yane, only I mean, Yajuma.
All right, Bessume, that's it. Hello, good morning. All right, Odiana and to me engine as 0536304072 0322296342. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Yes, sir.
Papa tell you to question.
My intio.
The cabin card I need to company for you now. That on Abu Benta. No, there is Mina or no. It's what 90 people. Oh, Kayasu. No, maybe hire Ghana for your kind of Abaya babu kini ton pepe and on a warrior, we see a yet. What name is the Cuba? What you find to get there? 7 months come for no minister come for no young boy. You'll be about 7 months with a new warrior. Not guarantee said you. I have been before to guarantee. Well, I need to meet them also to guarantee. Come out to be given away, and then you're listening. I have to see a president, go to Chroma, which is easy.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pache udi ni wase.
Mami tia mi ni abua one. Mini. Oh, o man pejo mama. O mo si yo. Ali kuya. Everything. Kede ye no kuma. Ena di kuye, di ti sei. Conference ni bre ni da dun Okaya can say, then a coin in our enemy, not Gana for your bread. As is so man penny, no number beer or shebo, in your way, now your boy and Samano. The go for Bonnie Samano, is not gonna for your bread, mamma. Minia, balance me again. At the year be a mom, papa. Minister, Kenano, a senior minister, but Snap one, it just no scratch, and no war. There's no one to get you a guy. There be only said we be actually was like a pure and to get outside the wiki. Masa,
Medas, Yami Enshaw, and also so what the other by. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Mpacho Udino was him.
Abutrika Yamana.
Mpacho my intio.
Kayasu Nanopai, Mamana was a one who are bigger for and can MPP Nina or Kayasu, Dr. Tony Obin.
Tony Edu. Tony Edu, Pacho.
Yeah. That's now all kind of dear. No great to do. Now, this is my way, Obetima Disa, as I'm now all kind of so. Because I buy by if we are do uncle for her, Nipano, or Nimbia fee. It's for a contract as Patiaba. Forest, your room. But I'm saying, yeah, will be Chama went to me. Chama went to me again and crack a gallant and a course on one day. Well, Ghana and Penocre and Tronqua go 4 cents as I can't watch out each other with me. Obi again and crack a gallant and a course on Yana. Go for not yet in this for Medasi.
Mr. Medasi. Good morning.
I'm on the
Mepacha Udin.
Pacho, your friend Abdul Karim, because Africa, Mukuma, Abe, and Zawa. Are you, Maminda Masne, and Mapa Medina, my Ghana? You best Ghana for. O man, penny, and some more dear. Menu, dear, and a bois, O man, penny. Menu, dear, a bois. You better, I am one. Na galamsena omutu amu fa kwa papa kwa bonusu a mu science ye kwaya no ma sign no ye ne yen kasa tie esa unu bi a o seba bi a o sign so e sign kwaya bo bambofo amane ye ko chu mu fili ho no nye sa ya mboa ye hu an ye adwuma se ye ya ge sai ye be policy sa he muti o mai ma o se se no ti ha ya se ye so sai ye kwa ya sa se so nto a ahefa ye be ko biyan so agem ye ina le be to pure water ye be se Ghana for ye mo man tani ye jan se wa ye se no ye se no.
Okay, that's it. Good morning.
Morning.
Me pacha udini wase.
Bacha wakula wa better da Sentano to kada kunya kuntu.
Better da yankasa.
Anopa wa bo adwumanya mincha ma mincha Dr. Mamadu Bawuna. Na mincha ma NS na 212. Na mincha PP ni no ati wo no. Wa bo adwuma pa nya mincha no. NDC for every galamsey campaign ama wa wo mamu ehun se 2020 but there you two galamsey bi ananado elusu wo ya hu videos ni bi a mo ko da bi se muntu na ye ba ye be mama to aso mo ma chi omu nyina ye be ja omu ampampa mama ba e wa jabi mo emu gusuma cho mu bo ye no muntu a mo so mo kasa so mu ni no mu ja be tlefi ombe hu omuntu because mo so mo bo so
better than me that say been family last caller na me fancy wa. Good morning.
Good morning, Kaya.
Yeah, Vem, maminti ora pay.
Maminti wa TF4, maminti nya dem a Oliver. Maminti ira ku bente ne yo so endi simpeni fo nyina. Ka so hu. Enti endi before. Sisi ambo na mutie tie mo de ani breka satano. Ene mo ga sasa. Well, mo ba kasa check because yeah no yeah bet na so wa check. It's not say yeah your money you. Ti me say omo to omo bo na on be brentem.
Mate, Vem mesome dance. Me de be si ewa ha me mfa ofrefo bia bi me bre no aso anesa. Anope asida enkoma haban herbal mixture. Dupa me kamfo dia bawo. Malaria fever obi ada no mato ntumi ne dia oba aboso so no bu zano ya se rewo. Wosisi na ya oya be ma wa ya mre won paso. Wo de eno no. Obetumi akọ drugstore bia bododo na opetu akokoto am forwarding hrem ewo kumase Misty Herbal, Danny Herbal, Happy Dank Herbal ana afi Fred Mines Herbal okohodo nsa ebeka bi junase for ko film na fosua Esther Atta ana afi Mart Herbal ofa kisin so ewo ho Leman Krum ehonom ana opana drugstore so ewo sa wi aso mun konko hunu JE Mensa Drugstore, Roxin Manu Drugstore and afi KJ Enterprise okohonoma ebiero nzaura monkonko hunu oboy Francis ubetimi afre 0248277708 na onza atumi aka odie Bondaron edupa a yede etu enwira ase ewo obi a waye afuo bi te se bayire banche abrobe akakaduro na afei ahwedie se enwira aba behye mu ma adura betumi de atu enwura nase afri safuo num Bondaron Saran so na me kamfo major e amount major 3-in-1 selective weed cider control different kind of weeds ewo abrofuom entima wonsa enka major ene Bondaron na fatu enwura se efri wafum enroi Born Agro Limited ena akwakofa ede aba womo ena akwakofa kenkon ede bae ena sisi womo asande foforo ede aba enti bomade ma wonsanka enroi bi na fatu nwura nase ewo afuo no ewu betimi afre Born Agro Limited ewo 0246 5190